Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in, welcome in. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Hey chat, give me 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll be right back. W's in the chat, 8's in the chat. Get the vibes going real quick, and I'll be right back. All right. All right, what up, chat? Back to bed for Kingston. How we doing today? Everyone doing good? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I see a bunch of 8-figure traders in the chat. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You guys had fun this weekend, dream building, filling up them dream tanks. What'd you guys do? Did you guys go look at cars, houses, jewelry, clothes? What'd you guys look at? Properties, lake houses. Where'd you go? Where'd y'all go, man? Z Gamer in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? What up, AJ? What's up, Swifty? What's good, Buzz Blab? Stevie Mac in the building. What up, everyone? What's good? What's good? Let me send the Zoom link out. All right, we good. We good, we good. Big Monday here today. First day of the week. We are ready to get the ball rolling. How you guys feeling? Anything go down in London session? What you guys do? Anything? What up, OGH? What up, Stephen B? What's good, everyone? Let me lower the music here and we're going to get started. Zoom link is out, by the way. Good to go. All right, perfect. What up, Kelvin? Good morning, Jessica. What's good, Wags? What up, everybody? Caught 126 pips in Asian session last night. Nice. Biggest trade of my career. Hey, big W. 8-figure trader in the making. Swifty. What up, AB Mike? AB Mike's a standout player. What's up, Mike? What's up, Mike McCready? Good morning, Louis G. D-Boss in the house. What up, D-Boss? What up, Buzz Blab? What up, Mick Co? All right, I think we're good. I think we're good to rock and roll here today, chat. Yeah, we good. We good. All right. Well, welcome in. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Let me pray for you guys real quick to start this week off, and we're going to get rolling here. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. Father, I thank you for waking us up here today, Lord. Another day, another opportunity to rejoice, be glad in this day, Lord. We know that when we're glad that great things could happen, Lord. I pray a blessing over this day. Pray a blessing over your people. I pray you go before us, Lord, this weekend or this week and make our path straight, Lord. Thank you for blessing us in these markets, and we just give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen, amen. Welcome in. As you guys settle down here, give the stream a like today. We are going to get the ball rolling and take a look at what we got going on here this week. Yeah, should be a good week. Should be a really good week. And let's see what we got going on here in the news. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I don't think we have much going on here today at all. So today's Monday. It is the 8th day of April. And it's another day, man. Another opportunity to do what we love to do, right? I mean, what a blessing, right? That we can come here and, you know, just do what we love to do and learn every single day and be able to sharpen ourselves in these markets. And not many people can do this, chat. Like, we are the minority, right? We are the minority. So most people are going to do other businesses. They're going to get other jobs, and they're not going to be able to figure this out. But you and I are on top of it, right? We are on top of it. The fact that we can even pull money out of these markets, pull money out of thin air for, you know, a couple of years straight is just mind-blowing in itself, right? So let's understand that the game we're playing, and let's go ahead and see how we can learn today and every day moving forward. What we're going to do here today is we're going to open up the news for the week and begin to check some things out. Amen's in the chat. Yes. Big dubs. Big dubs. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look. So again, today is the 8th day of April, and not much here in the headlines for us today. Really nothing at all actually involving the US dollar here. So we're pretty clear here today. Tomorrow we got some sort of tentative news. Not even too sure what this is. But that should be coming in early. They don't have a time for it yet, so I'm assuming that'll probably happen at 8:30 tomorrow. But that's pretty much it outside of something at 6 a.m. here, which shouldn't be too crazy. Yellow folder. Once we got Wednesday though coming around here, the red folders begin to come in. As you can see, we got CPI coming in this week, so really big week in terms of this red folder here on Wednesday, which is going to be the 10th day of April, and that should rock the markets here on Wednesday. So we should get a lot of volatility midway through the week. Then you can see as you got this FOMC later on, and then what else have we got? Crude oil inventories on Wednesday. So yeah, big day here on Wednesday. Thursday we come into unemployment claims. As always, you also got PPI here on Thursday, so another big one. And that's pretty much it. You know, red folder here at 10 a.m. on Friday. But NFP's out of the way. CPI's coming up Wednesday. PPI's coming up Thursday, and then yeah, it's been a lovely past 2 weeks here. So that's pretty much what's ahead of us for the next couple days here this week. And we are going to play each day, day by day, and have some fun doing it, learn some, and hopefully make some money here. So that's going to be what we got going on in the forecast this week. What's up, Pablo? What up? What up? Greatest place on earth? Let's get it. That's pretty much what we got going on during the week. So let's go ahead and get to the charts here. Let's do a breakdown. I think I'm good. Let me pull up my, let me do this. Tools are ready. Let me just move my Zoom chat over. And let's do a breakdown. You guys ready? You guys like the stream? Give the stream a like here. Let's do a quick breakdown, see what we got or where we're at on gold here. I haven't opened up the charts, so don't even know what's going on. And we'll take a look at the NASDAQ as well. What up, Traders X? What's good, Purpose? What up, everyone? What up, Dominic? Dennis Hood is in the house. The man, the myth, the legend. Dennis Hood. Shout out to Dennis Hood. What up, Magnus? All right, cool. Let's take a look. What up, Dropout Trader? Let's take a look at the charts here and let's go through it. So let's start on gold here. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So gold is obviously been on this bullish rally here, right? So as you can see, we've been moving up since these levels down here. Price had ran up pretty well. You did kind of move up, create support here, and we've been basically legging up ever since. So just hike. We've been on a hike, man. We're just continuing to move up, not even really creating bottom wicks, right? Just driving here. So lots of bullish pressure in these candles here. Gold is just on a absolute rally right now. So we're playing around in these all-time highs here. There's nothing to the left. Nothing at all to the left-hand side. So that's what we got going on here on the weekly. We're way up in the sky. Last two candles, again, have both had no bottom wicks, and both have closed with no top wicks as well. So, I mean, the rally just cannot be stopped, bro. Even like price action-wise, just saying nope. Off with his head, right? Just continuing to run up. So we find ourselves here with the beginning of this week. We've already kind of made a bottom wick. We've kind of got a high here as well, and we find ourselves sitting very close to the all-time highs here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily and see what we got going on here as well. So daily candle as well last week did close with no top wick, right? So we came down, we broke the lows. As you can see, we moved up. Bullish, 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 bullish. Finally got ourselves a bearish candle. Friday we were looking for potential sells, but what's crazy is news came out bearish on gold, and price action was bearish on gold, but gold just said the heck with y'all, man, and just continued to run up. So after broke the lows there, right, then broke the highs, and yeah, ended up closing with no top wick. So we'll see how this candle pans out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. I'm pretty bullish based off of the daily, but if we're looking at the 4 hour here, it looks like we closed bearish. Yeah, so we came up, yeah, we didn't break this high here, so we came up to the highs and respected those highs there for now. So for now, we respected the high here. As you can see, price kind of made this top wick, came up, but this high never broke the previous candle's high. And now we got to see what happens here, right? If you do break that low, though, you should continue down, and then we should see a 4 hour closure right after those low. If those lows break, that look, you know, something like this, right? Something like that. So, how can we anticipate that happening? Well, let's see the reaction of why we stopped so abruptly right at the wick, and let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour time frame. So, based off the daily. Right, I am bullish, but I am keeping in mind that there is no top wick on this candle, and that we've just been rallying up for quite some time. We do need some sort of a pullback. So the daily candle I am bullish on, but the 4 hour here is looking a bit bearish, right? We did close bear here on this candle right here, and we also did create this resistance right here, right? So until you actually can close above there, then you have a wick to fill and all that good stuff, but it looks like we are respecting that previous high there to potentially move down. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour, see what these wicks represent here, see if we can find some clean range, and then set some positions up. So taking a look at the 1 hour here, you have an obvious support right here, right? So you got a support level right here. But just below it, there's another support, right? So I'd much rather use that support there, especially with all these rejections to the bottom side here on gold. So this is going to be where I'm going to have my support right around 23.34 there. And then if we can say, hey, where's our most recent resistance? I think we're right here, right? I think we're right there. So this has to be the previous 4 hour wick right there. Looks like we did close above, and price actually filling this wick. Some of you guys may be in these buys. I have no idea. I didn't even know like this was planning out here. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at, right? So if you came up here and you created a resistance, right? And then you came down, you created a support, there's an 80% chance that price will eventually move up to retest that resistance. So that's what we could be doing right here, right now. And we will see, you know, how this all pans out. But it looks like you do have a wick fill in front of you. Looks like you do have a closure above as well. And that all looks pretty good there. So we're going to see what happens if we respect that high there, which is the previous 4 hour wick. And if we do respect it, right, if we don't end up filling the wick, coming back down, doing something like this, that's where I'm going to pull the trigger on sells, expecting the 4 hour now to be ready to drive down. All right, let's go back, look at the 4 hour chart. 4 hour candle, if we continue to respect the high, there's the break of the current candle low. You get a closure below there on a 30-minute time frame here in 16 minutes. Then that's where you can see the move. Now, right now, if we're looking at the 15, right, or the 30-minute, you will see a couple different areas of resistance here on the 15, right? So you got resistance, and then you got resistance here, right? Let's go back to the 30. You may be rejecting this area right now. See this area right here? You may be rejecting that area. I don't like the way that 15-minute candle closed in order to move bullish again. I think you definitely need a closure at that point. But yeah, if you end up closing below 23.34 here, sells are looking pretty good as we re-break that current 4-hour low. So from 7 to 9 here today, I'm probably going to be looking to see if we can get a closure below here, break that 4-hour low, and then continue to drive down, you know, somewhere in these ranges down here. Let me redo that. That was very sloppy. Somewhere in these ranges down here, right? This is your next range, and then below that you have pretty clean traffic towards 23.08. So really want to see what this how this 30-minute candle is going to close. I believe that this is pretty much just a range at this point, right? A lot of wicks in this area, just a nasty range right now. Rejecting off that resistance right there. So yeah, I think we just need to wait, or I just need to wait. And again, if this candle does close below this 23.34, that's going to be my opportunity to pull the trigger on sales here. So that is the day from 7 to 9. Yeah, that's it. That's all, folks. That's all, folks. Cool. So sells below here. Got to get a closure, and then yeah, buys. I guess we could say range 2 buys above here. Right, so not going to touch these buys just because I understand the daily is bullish, but the 4-hour isn't, right? So I'm not going to touch the buys here. Going to wait for range 2 buys above 23.38. And if we do get that, like now, and you get a new support and all that, then we may be good to move up. But other than that, going to look to see if we can capitalize on this 4-hour, creating a top wick, breaking the lows, and driving down there. So that's the plan here until about 9 a.m. today. Eastern time, 9 a.m. Eastern time. All right, that's it, man. That's it. Hard part is done, or should I say the easy part is done. Now we wait. Range 2 buys here. Now we wait, and waiting for most traders is going to be the hard part. Perfect. All right, W. Very, very simple analysis here today. Very, very simple. What do we got here? Do we got Joey Stuchek or bright and early? Hey, Joe, you stealing the show, brother. Holy. Joe's stealing the show. Everyone's like, hey, can you do that breakdown one more time? Joey Stu, how you doing? All right. Joe Stu's in the house. We're going to have a great day here today. We are going to have a great day here today. Man stole the show. I wanted to listen to your Bible study over the weekend. Couldn't find the feed. Go to the Jesus Mission channel, and it's up there. You got to scroll up a little bit. Right here. By the way, guys, if you're not in our free Discord, you can come join our free Discord here. It's absolutely free, and you're more than welcome to come on in. We got a ton of great traders in this Discord. A lot of action going on here. We're going to be doing some more pop-ups in the Discord here pretty soon as well. And, yeah, it's completely free. So all you got to do is hit !Discord, and you're in, man. Yeah, hit that in the chat, and the link will pop up for you. Yeah. Joey Stewart about to say Johnny Stuchek. Holy. Dang. The tide will turn. Tide can turn real quick. What was I going to say about this? I don't know. But yeah, you can join our Discord, man. We got a we got a bunch of great channels, man. You got the food picks section. Oh, man, you guys are eating good this weekend. Oh, as you can see, we like steaks here at TTE. These are my steaks last night. Just absolute mwah, man. Oh, my God, they were perfect. My man Ricardi cooking them up, too, here. I know he's probably had the family over. Yeah, oh, damn, okay. Some ribs. All right, boys and girls. Time to eat. Your girl's like, time to eat. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, let's see what you guys are eating here today. What you guys grubbing on? We got the desk setup section as well. You guys can print or show us where you're trading from and what your office is looking like. But yeah, we also got these other rooms here. So Asian session, London session, New York session. You know, for the most part, we're here on the live stream. But if you guys are trading Asian and London, you can, go ahead and jump in here and chat with some folks. And yeah, should be a good time. Joe Stew, how you doing? Hey guys, is Joe Stew not one of the funniest guys on the planet? Eat my hat? Nah, I never said I'd eat my hat today. Not today, not today. Yeah, let's take a look at NASDAQ real quick as well, and then we'll kind of wait on everything here today. So taking a look at the weekly here on NAS, as you can see, hold on. Still getting it, nice. Yeah, as you can see here on the weekly, we are bearish, right? So we are bearish here today. We did, or this week, we did create this level of resistance, and then now you had a really nice move down. Now, let me guys put you on with game a little bit real quick. So this is something I've been studying for a while. It doesn't, you know, I still need to collect more data on it and get a read on it and all that good stuff. But you notice how we're bearish, right? And I was talking with some of the elite members about this. See how we're bearish, right? We created resistance. We also have this candle now that drove down, and you would expect this candle to go ahead and fill that wick and potentially like move down and close below, right? So one thing I've been noticing is that if this candle here retests the support, which it did, a lot of times what's going to happen is this current candle actually won't move bearish. This candle will actually go bullish, right? And let me explain why. It's because, right, if remember what I was just talking about, if price creates a support, right, and then creates a resistance, there's an 85% chance that that support will be retested. But notice how this candle already did the job. Right, this candle already retested this support area. So a lot of times where you're looking for sells and you're bearish expecting that wick to get filled, what'll happen is it won't fill the wick. It'll actually move bullish that day and create a new support, possibly close above and all that good stuff. So keep that in mind as you are, just pay attention to it, you know, keep it in the back of your mind, watch it. I notice this happens more on the higher time frame, like a weekly or a daily, than it does on the like 1 hour 30 minute. But this is something I want to continue paying attention to, because I've seen it happen time and time again where like we're super bearish here this week, but price ends up moving up, and then every time I look back I notice that the candle had already done its job, right? The whole deal here is the support's formed, the resistance formed. It don't matter which candle does it, but there's got to be a retest, or most times there's a retest, right? And sometimes this is the actual retest, and it's already done, right? So this candle doesn't have to move down. It just can move up and do its thing like that, right? So keep that in mind. Something I've been watching, something I've been paying attention to, seen it pan out mainly on the higher time frames, like daily and above. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily is bullish here today. So funny how that works, right? Daily is bullish. Now we're in this bit of a choppy range here as we move up on the daily, but you do have a wick to fill. You did create a very strong support here, and look like we can move up. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here from 7 to 9 here. So price been moving down, right? So you had a resistance formed. You also have a support right here. You broke these lows here. You're coming down. There is no support currently on the 4 hour time frame just yet, right? In order for us to actually say we have a support here, this candle right here needs to close bullish, right? But this candle is still currently open. It still has not broke the highs of the previous candle. At any point it can come down, break those lows, and continue driving here. So let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour looks like. Pretty bearish based off of this 4 hour candle, or 4 hour time frame. 1 hour also closed with very little to no top wick, right? So that's another sign that may happen. We got a support here. You've got a resistance right here. And this is your range, right? So NAS is actually perfect for us. It's just been ranging for a bit. 1 hour just can't really make a move. You've got a clean move coming up here towards like 18,231. And then you've also got a nice clean move coming down towards like 17, or I would say like, yeah, like 1760 here. So yeah, nice. Yeah, this looks good actually. So again, 4 hour bias here is bearish unless we break that high. Let's go ahead and take a look at that high, which is right here. Let's mark it up right here. And let's see what that looks like on the 30-minute. All right, cool. So if we end up pushing up, right, closing above the range here and breaking that high, we now know that we just broke the highs. You get a closure like that, there's a potential opportunity for a wick fill and for price to continue up into this range here, right? So to move bullish. But I am going to be looking for mainly sells here until that happens, right? Because the 4 hour again is bearish here, and if you do break that low, which is right here, you should be good to drive into these ranges down here. So that's kind of like what I got going on here for NAS. You got a new range here. You've also got a range below there, and that's it. That's it. Nice resistance up here. Clean traffic moving up. We have to get past that 4 hour. Like there's a lot of, you got to get past all this, right? And really to have a nice winning trade here today. So there's a rejection there, so we'll see. I am pretty bullish though here on NAS. So we just got to wait for closures. Here. If the 4 hour does close bullish now, like let's say from 9 to 11, now we're looking for buys, right? Now we're looking for price to potentially create a bottom wick and then blast through that. That's also right here is the daily wick fill. So that's what I got going on here for NASDAQ. Pretty clean price action today, not gonna lie. There's no news ahead of us either, so everything looks pretty solid for the most part. Yeah, so we're gonna look for range 2 buys for now, and then potential sells below here, right? These are analysis based off the 4 hour candles and the 4 hour charts, not necessarily the daily, right? Just the 4 hour candle in front of us. So this whole thing could switch up at 9 a.m., right? We could actually reverse these two come 9 o'clock. So pretty interesting, right? We've got 2 sessions within a session now, right? And that's kind of how we're gonna play the game for a little bit, and just see. It's been really panning out pretty well as of lately in terms of where price actually goes. So we're gonna keep it up and play the game that way and see if this way's a little bit better. Right now we're just sample sizing, in a way. We're just every day you're sample sizing, right? So we're just kind of seeing how things pan out. You forgot intro today, which today is another day, another opportunity. No. I didn't forget that, right? Never. I said today's another day. It's another opportunity. It's another opportunity for us to learn this game. Most people can't even look at a chart, never mind understand it, predict it. None of that, right? So the fact that you guys are here and we're actually doing this and pulling money out of thin air is just mind-blowing, right? Because most people are at a desk right now, or they're digging a hole, or they're driving, right? And we're sitting here just watching candles. So it is another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be patient, and study these candles, because there's money in these candles, right? There's a lot of money in these candles, and the better you can get at the skill set, the better you can pull the money from those candles. All right, cool. That's it, man. That's the day. That's the day on NAS. NAS is good. Gold is good. And now we just wait. Oh, I noticed that. I'm assuming you're talking about. What am I assuming? I'm assuming you're talking about the wick, right? On the higher time frame. Yeah. My bad. I'm a little behind on the chat. What up, Clinks? Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Joseph. What's up, brother? Welcome in. What up, options? What up, Bobby? What's good? What's good? Hey, we're doing a few giveaways here today, chat. Doing a few $25,000 challenge account giveaways here with Top One Trader. Thanks to them, they're so gracious to go ahead and do that for us. What we're gonna do is we're going to pick a winner from. Which one are we gonna pick a winner from? The new video, yeah. Come to the go to my YouTube channel and comment on this video right here. 2-week evaluation. Yeah, leave a comment on that video, and then later on today we are going to pick a winner from there. Yeah, if you guys haven't watched any of the, by the way, more videos are coming. I'm actually ordering a new camera today, and I'm gonna start. I have an editor and all that good stuff now, so I'm gonna start putting out all new videos pretty soon. Oh, 333 videos we got up right now. Okay. And I am 33. Jesus year. It's a big year. It's a big year. Does Top One work in the US? Yes, sir. What's good, Andrew? Good morning, bro. Welcome in. Yeah, guys, give this video right here a like and a comment, and then that's where we're gonna pick the giveaway. And you got to be subbed to the channel, man. You got to be subbed. So sub to the channel if you want the opportunity to win. We had to deny a giveaway winner because they weren't subbed to the channel. Just kidding. They're all subbed to the channel. All right, cool. All right, so a lot of weird candles now on a 30-minute time frame here. So just got to wait. Just got to wait patiently. 4-hour candles still respect the high there. Perfect. So, yeah, nothing going on right now. 33, boys. Hey, yo, Stephen B. 330. Gang, I've done this about 330 times. This live stream. Yeah, man. Last year we put our head down and we showed up and served every single day. Every day, every holiday. We did not take one day off last year. What up, Alfonso? What's good, Lazy Panda? Xander's in the building. What's goody? Holy. What up, Susanna? All caps coming in like a bright star. Nothing going on but the rent. Hey, what's today? The 1st? No, today's the 8th. Today's the 8th. What's up, Supra? What's good, AJ? Joey Stuchek, is he still here? That's my question, though. Did he just kind of like roll over? Let me go around to the YouTube live stream and say what up. Is he still here, though, gang? That's what we really wonder. Joey's still here. I don't see him. He's out. He's gone. Big Eclipse Day? Big Eclipse Day. How you doing, Joey Stu? What up, Chala? What's good, Jimmy? We're going to be checking in on you frequently here today, Joe. Make sure you're in the building. Johnny Stuchek. Johnny Stuchek. Where's Green at? Where's Green? Green waits for us to call him, I think. Yeah. What up, Tanny? Tanny in the building. Joe's here for the long run, baby. Let's get it. Joe's an 8-figure trader, eh? Let's run it. There's Green. How you doing? Hey, yo, Joe Stu.
How you doing?
How you doing? What camera am I getting? I am getting the I'm trying to pick which one I want. It's either gonna be the A. Hold on, where is it? A6400. Yeah, A6400. That's one of them. Or I think it was a Sony Alpha 7C. Oh no, yeah, this one, the Sony A7. Yeah, A7. I don't know, man. Which one you guys think I should get? They're both pretty good. What up, Louis G is in the building. What's good, Louis G? Thanks, man. Thanks. Yeah, I'll do more of those. That was like the first one I did, so it's kind of, you know, like the first time you do anything. Yeah, that was like the first one I recorded, so I'll record those a little bit more and try and go like a little bit more in depth on some more like mentality stuff. A7R5 is the top. Let me see. Yeah, I think it was like the 6400 was like the A7 I think was the one that I was more so going for. Which one was it? Yeah, I think it was the A7. The Mets are starting slow this year, eh? Oh man. The Mets, I forgot those guys even existed. Don't they usually start off pretty good, right? And then they kind of get slow. So at least now they're starting off slow, and maybe they'll like get good over the year. Thank you for the Bible study, bro. Yeah, my pleasure. Yeah, my pleasure. Oh, nice, Dominic. You enjoyed it too, man. Awesome, good stuff, guys. Mark chapter 1. 1 through 11. 1, 1, 1, 1. You're welcome, my friend. They start off good, then die out towards the end of the year. Yeah. Typical Mets. You guys know I'm from New York, so I understand the game with the Mets. I've been a Yankee fan my whole life. But, yeah, my dad was a real one, thank God. Hey, when I was in the majors, not in the majors. When I was at some point, I probably was like 15 years old. I was on the Mets. Yeah, I got picked to be the Mets, man. I was the second player in the draft. I was a little upset that I wasn't the first, but the team needed a catcher, so they had to take this one kid. He was an absolute stud catcher. But I was a tall lefty pitcher, and the next team up that year to pick was the Mets, man. And I got picked by the Mets. And my dad made me take the jersey on and off outside the house. I wasn't allowed to wear the Mets uniform in the house, man. It was... No, I'm just kidding. He let me wear the uniform in the house, but he did make that remark to me. I was like, oh, yeah, I probably shouldn't wear this in the house. But, yeah, that year I went on to throw 2 no-hitters, man, for the Mets. Threw 2 no-hitters that year. I hate the Yankees. Yeah, most Met fans do. It's been a minute since we had some sports talk. Nightbot, how you doing? That's funny. Yeah, he would joke, be like, yeah, you got to take the jersey off outside, man. Don't bring that in here. Can we check charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look at some charts here. All right, let's see what we got here, my friend. So we got gold, 15-minute time frame, previous daily and weekly close with no top wick. Cool. So I had a bearish bias. I was waiting for a retracement, 30-minute close strong below. Nice. Strong below. Or strong bearish. I waited for range 2 sells, shifted to the 15-minute close below the range. Beautiful. Nice job. So you entered on this candle. Candle came down, entry, nice. Yeah, moved down very nicely here. This was gold. This was when? When was this? They're an Asian? Asian, right? I think it's nice. What else we got here? Let's see. GJ. So pound yen, 15-minute time frame, bullish biased. Pound was the stronger compared to the yen on the currency strength meter. Wow, I haven't used that in a while. The currency strength meter. Waited for price to retrace down, make a support, go up. Cool. Waited for a breakout. Nice. Awesome. Yeah, great trade. Yeah, you had an opportunity to fill that wick there, and then if you see this candle here, I had no top wick. Or yeah, no top wick. So price came up, gave that candle a top wick. I'm curious, what did GJ do now? Did we continue moving up towards full target, or did we actually head back down? Curious. Not that I want to know what GJ's doing or what GJ's up to or anything, but I'm just curious about, you know, the price action. Headed back down. I knew it. When I play MLB The Show, I switch my difficulty. Oh, man, that's funny. I think we have some more charts here too, right? Let's take a look. Let's see. This is pound yen as well. 30-minute daily was bearish, but didn't have very little, no top wick. Candle broke the range. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. These are textbook positions here. I mean, simple. You know, simple candlesticks, right? You get take profit right here. You probably look to, I don't know, take more profit here. The only thing that I probably would have done differently on this trade is, did that candle? Yeah, okay, that candle did close above. So yeah, I think I would have been same thing, same trade. Yeah, had this candle not closed above, I probably would have waited for this one though, and then took a buy. But it looks like you closed above. Yeah, good job. Great trades, man. Great trades. What else we got here? Clean charts too. Caught on the 5-minute time frame. Candles are rejecting previous resistance. Nice. Just picking gold apart, eh? What up, Ali Reza? Yeah, good stuff. Good trades here. Really good. Impulse entry on the 5. Came back in a drawdown a little bit, but yeah, nice move. TP1 hit. Stops to BE. Lovely. Lovely. Good trades. Great trades, actually. All right, 4-hour bias is holding strong here. Holding strong. So let's see what happens. Price coming back down now, back into the range. 30-minute lows have broke. 15-minute lows are breaking here as well. So big hourly close here in 17 minutes. The more GJ's not coming back, man. It's not coming back. I'm committed. Oh man, we got baseball chatter now. Yo, what up, Perez? Damn, Joe, you gotta build that rep back now. Gotta be here consistently now, bro. We had fun. We had fun with the Joey Stuchek stuff. Yo, what up, Patty and Magnifico? What's good? What up, Jerson? Hey, give the stream a like, chat. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. Oh, George VDM got the Wi-Fi down. He's getting glitched. George, we love you, bro. We love you, bro. Shout out to George VDM. Man down, man down. Georgie. What's up, Kingston? Yes, that is correct. Yep, that's what we're going to be doing. That's what I'm going to be doing. More so, really tested this idea, you know, watched it for a couple weeks, tested it for the last like 2 weeks, and now I think I'm going to fully commit myself to it for, you know, the next 2 or 3 weeks and see how things begin to pan out. Matrix took him. Yeah, so far so good with the 4 hour. So far so good. Nas getting ready for a big breakout here. We got NY Open coming up here in about 15 minutes as well. So we got volume coming. I'll be right back. All right, let's see what gold's going to do here. Let's see. When am I receiving my free challenge account? Hopefully it's today. It may be today. All you got to do is comment on the video here. This video right here. And you're going to have the opportunity to win a 25K challenge account. 2-week evaluation video. Give a like on that video and leave a comment. We're gonna pick some winners out of the comment section later on today. Okay, nice. Here we go, gold. 4 hour beginning to come back down now. Lovely. Lovely. How's the crumble cookie diet going? Bro, it's cold in my house today, man. My wife had the AC on. Low. Or high. I don't know, man. It was chilly. Got a hoodie on here today. All right, let me go over here. Boom. What up, February King? It's good, AK. AK. I need a crumble break. You think? Joe sounds like he needs to go to rehab for crumble. I need a crumble break. Are you do you mean like you need a quick crumble break, like a quick like smoke break, like smokers say, or you mean like you need a break from crumble, like eating it, or you need to like break right now to go have some crumble? Which one? Honestly, both options are believable at this point. Oh man, that's funny. Crumble rehab. Do a little sugar detox. Hey, who knows what's in them crumble, man? I'm telling you. I don't like those things. I'm not eating those anymore, man. Them things are weird. There's something strange about those cookies, man. I'm telling you. Man needs rehab. See what I mean? Like, man needs rehab. Like, how? Have you ever heard someone say they need some rehab on some cookies? I'm telling you, bro. The ingredients. It's like, I don't know. There must be crack in them things or something. I have no idea. I can't see BTC coming back down. Word, right? BTC gone. Yeah, we broke those highs there too, so monthly's ready to rumble. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna look. Probably like honestly, when we break back below these levels, this is where I'm gonna deploy more bags into BTC here. Empty the bags a little. See if we can come back below this, all this, and see what's up. But it doesn't look like we're coming back down anytime this week. At least 50 ingredients. Holy! Hey, you just feel good when you eat like a nice good steak. That's when I feel the best. Costco has new cookies. Uh-oh. They are, Willie. They are up to something, bro. Yeah, man. Them things are dangerous, mate. Dangerous. Futures Frank. What up, Futures Frank? You doing?
You don't.
Instagram link. I think we have a link. I have a link in the bio, right, for Instagram. Let me pull it up here for you. Instagram. Keep an eye on my Instagram accounts. We're gonna be doing giveaways through the IG as well. Yeah, that's my IG right here. Boom. George VDM is in the house. He said the Wi-Fi couldn't hold me down. How you on Wi-Fi with no Wi-Fi? That's how you find a way to win. What up, FX Snipe? What's good? What's good? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're sniping them. How you been, man? Good to see you here today. I've been looking into what is actual in the food I buy. Yeah, your body is a temple. Yep. Yeah, I love grass-fed meat. That's what I like eating the best. Because that's what we ate. Right? When we didn't have these supermarkets to go to and all this stuff prepared for us and honey buns and crumble cookie and all this crazy stuff, all we did was went out and ate some vegetables, picked some fruit, and hunted some animals. So I always feel best when I'm eating like that. You couldn't shake a tree and get a Dorito. Just shake this tree right here. Get a couple Doritos to fall out. Nice and crunchy. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was my IG. So for whoever asked. What up, Sandman? Good morning. Forex Gump in the house. I love that name. Fire name. Forex Gump. Run, Forex, run. Do you trade any options? No, I just trade with options. There he is. There's options. He comments. Yeah, now all I trade is gold and a little bit of NASDAQ. Mainly gold, though. All right, we got 3 minutes here for the closure. We may close back in this range here. So you may see something like this pan out. You got probably let's go to the 15-minute time frame. 15:30. Yeah, I would like to see a closure below and us actually breaking that 4-hour low, right? So if you get this candle to close here like this, and then the next candle to close below, there may be impulse entries right here, but once we do get a closure below, I think that's my cue to step in and take these sells. I follow your Insta. Oh, nice. Glad you're enjoying it. Man, sending his crypto wallet in here. Bro, this ain't a charity donation. We're creating 8-figure traders, man. $50. Holy. Say my name. It's good. All right. Timeout. 30-minute timeout for you, sir. Sheesh. Green, I hit him with the 30. Damn, was that a little too much? Maybe should have did like 10. Sorry, man. I hit you with the 30. Take a breather. Breathe air. love you, man. Hey, Bernard, I love you, bro. Love you, bro. Yeah, 1 hour NY Open coming up here in 1 minute. 1 minute. We mainly on NASDAQ today. We're mainly on gold today. But yeah, I got NASDAQ here too. So honestly, both pairs look pretty good for trading here today. Can you explain why you would take shorts here instead of buys? Yeah, because the 4-hour candle is pretty bearish here, right? So I'm expecting if this low breaks that you can potentially drive down and move down here on the 4-hour candle. So we respected the high there, never broke the high, drove back down. Now if you get a closure, like especially if price kind of can push through all this for us, and you get a closure below, that's gonna also break that 4-hour low right there, and then price should be in good condition to move down. Yeah, you got this range right here where you can potentially secure some profits. Big range too. All right, cool. So we did close. We closed bearish here. We did close back in the range. So that kind of takes away the buying, right? No buys now, especially now that we're back in the range. It is NY Open. We should begin to move here. I'm gonna sit tight and let the 15-minute candle close here, and then if we can get like closures below, like I said, 23.34, that'd be great. Yeah, previous 15, no top wick. We'll see if that has any relevance here, but yeah, you're in the chop, mate. You're in the chop. What strategy am I making use of? I'm making use of a price action strategy. It has a lot to do with candlesticks and ranges and volume. Let's see how NAS closed. NAS closed bearish too in the range here, so you gotta pretty much break out here. Yeah, 4 hours still bearish here on NAS too, looking pretty good. Unless this 4-hour candle closes in an hour bullish, then I will actually reverse all this, right? And I'll look for, from 9 to 11, look for buys. All right, let's see how we react here. Did we take out the low yet? Almost. Did I say trade the chop? Get out of the chop. Yeah, we'll see what we want to do here. This is a big area. We want to see how price, or I want to see how price reacts right here. If you can actually get a closure there, you're taking out the low. So 15 closures, 30-minute closures there would be phenomenal. Quick move, quick move. No top wick on this candle here either. Yo, what up? Good morning, George. Well, it's good. Is XAUUSD pretty much the same thing as gold futures? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I'll trade the futures chart right here. Yeah, so this is my idea. But I need to see this candle close below the range here before I get in for a sell. Damn, that is a crazy desk setup here. Yeah, Cameron Fuchs. I like that guy. He's like one of the OGs, right? Yeah, who was like one of the first people you like kind of seen Forex from? I feel like you guys ever heard of what's that kid's name? You guys ever heard of I think it's Austin Godsey? You guys ever heard of him? I think he was the first person, and this was like back in like 2016. Yeah, before I ever even like got involved at all. Swaggy? Oh, nice. Swaggy was like the first guy I really took like learning from serious. Raja MLM. Yeah, what's his name? IML. Yeah. Yeah, you know, not Q, but his the other dude Ryan. I remember seeing him a lot too early on. They would post those profits with the I think it had like the Wall Street Academy, right? That little circle on their P&L. Yeah, man, that was like 2016. Q and Ryan and I think they were involved with Austin Godsey and them. Phantom? I don't think I ever heard of him. First time was on Raja. That's nice. Don? Oh, nice. Lorenzo? Oh, my boy Lorenzo. Reynard Green? Who's that? Yeah, you see how many traders are out there? Like, I've never even heard of a lot of these guys. But they're probably big time. Damn, yeah, there's so many people out there. Daniel Savage, yeah, hell yeah. That dude is so funny. Warren Buffett. Holy. Quick push here. Candle below closure. So if we're looking at the 15, right, then we got to wait for a close below 23.32, right? But if we're looking at the 30, then the closures below here will be just fine, especially if we could take out these lows real quick and then kind of pull back and leave a wick fill like we're doing now. Watching Raja, nice. Yeah, he has grown a lot. A lot can happen in 4 years. Yeah, I think 4 years ago I was watching him too, and he was in the Canada crib, right? Just hanging out with the guns. What's up, Juan Legacy? Good morning. I learned a lot from Savage. Yeah, he is funny, man. Actually, when I used to live in Weston, I seen him. He was on. I think he had that blue McLaren back then. That's when I was first getting in. I actually hit up Q to try and see if I can get like some personal mentorship from him, or like an in-person type of thing. But he had already stopped doing them by that time. Does the top wick matter if it closes below? Nah. Yeah, if this 30 closes below, then I'm just going to keep my stop sitting, like, let's say you get a closure around here. I'm just going to have my stop sitting above there. Probably looks something like that. But yeah, we'll see if it holds on here for us. Doesn't have to. It doesn't have to wait, but hopefully it waits. Yeah, remember, this is what we talked about the impulse entry here. So this is a good sample size for our impulse entry today. Impulse entries would have been right here, and then I think we would have had about 20 pips on that impulse entry. So yeah, the impulse entry was on the break of the 4-hour low, which was sitting right there, and that in return on the 30-minute, that's just the break of that low there. So yeah, impulse entries are most of the time going to work out during like high times of volume. That's the only time you should really be taking those impulse entries, and just capitalizing on like 10, 20 pips. Good day, my friend. What up, Jamie G? Started when binary options. That's what me and my brother Joe started with back in what was that, Joe? Damn, that was what year was that? That was like 2018, 2019, right? Yeah, we've been trading for a while. You know, I got more serious like in this type of style around like 2020, 2021, but you know, we were taking trades in binary options in 20, I think it was 2018. I don't know. Joe, you got a Joey Stu check. Remind me, Joe, what year was that? I think that was 2019, 2018. I found you and stuck around. Hey, let's go. W, Amanda. Feeling great today, bro? Yeah, feeling fantastic. How are you doing, Billy? Billy O'Neill, ladies and gentlemen. What up, Hank? It's good, Hank. We were 2018. Yeah, I think that was around 2018. John was watching us too. John was peeping from the sideline. All right, let's see if we can hang tight and wait for the TT crew here. Or some of you guys may already be in this, but I'm going to sit on my plan here today and wait for a closure. What's up, Justin? Good morning. How you doing? What up, Sebastian?
How you doing?
How you doing? Good morning, Energy. Energy's in the house. What's up, Angelo? Welcome in, everyone. A lot of people pulling in. How y'all doing? We're doing some giveaways here today. Just go to my YouTube channel, comment on the last video, which was the 2-week evaluation video, and we're going to be giving away a couple 25K challenge accounts here today. What year did you see profitable? I would say 2022 was the year that it really started to click for me. The first year, like when we're talking about the binary stuff, I don't even consider that like starting. We were legitimately gambling. Like, there was no like plan, right? There was no strategy. We were rolling with this dude Matty Pips, and we were just taking whatever he called out. So there was like, that was just straight up gambling. But then, you know, the struggle began in like 2019, 2020, 2021. Those were like my bad years in trading. But then once 2022 came around, we really started to catch some momentum. Yeah, and then 2023 was great, and 2024 is this year. Yeah, the early 2022 is when things started clicking for me. Like right around this, like March, that's when things started really coming together. Yeah, you know the struggle. Every trader goes through it. First, it starts with signals, and then it starts with, you know, well, first, actually, most of the time it starts with like some MLM. I don't think that happens too much anymore, but back when I started, that's definitely how it was. You remember Matty Pips? Nice, yeah, Matty Pips. Yeah, legit. That was when we had no strategy, like zero strategy.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Haven't seen Rafi in ages. Rafi was here on Friday, bro. Where were you? Where were you at on Friday, Hank? I'm an IML baby. Oh man. Yeah. Solar eclipse today in USA? Is it not anywhere else? Is it only in the USA? Yeah, they supposedly it's going to be most visible here at 3 p.m. today. US of A. Johnny Boy's birthday, man. I don't know. Johnny Stuchek, man. We ate good, man. We had some good hibachi on Johnny Stu's birthday. It was fire. Joe, some of you guys see my story, man. Joe Stu, when that boy cleaned up. Anybody see Joe Stu's page? Not page, plate. Holy. I was in IML, yes. Yup. Yeah, I have a friend in there. He's actually really big. Matt, his name is Matt Rosa. That's my boy, man. And he kind of took me through the ropes there. I only stayed in there for a little bit, and then I kind of dipped out because I had already come from a network marketing company. So it was like, you know, it didn't feel right. You know, I don't know. It was like switching. Yeah, I don't know. It just didn't feel right. So I decided to begin to learn on my own because I didn't really want to just take signals from people, especially not knowing like anything. Like they didn't really have much of a live stream at that point. I think it was like one day a week. So yeah, just decided to learn on my own. That's when I found Swaggy. Then I found well, first I took Lambo Raul's course. But then from there, I found guys like Swaggy, and then from there, Raja, and then Don, and, you know, then began to really put it together. Joe ate the whole cake? Yeah, yo, no lie, Billy. Joe ate the whole cake. Like, Joe. The heck, bro? Sheesh. How old am I? Exclamation point age. I am 33 with 333 videos and 33,000 subscribers.
And you don't.
Holy. And my hero, Jesus the Christ, the Messiah, was 33. So I love 33. Do I ever look at the 2-hour chart? I used to, but I don't anymore. Yeah, that was one of Swaggy's concepts there, was that 2-hour chart. Yeah, he had a little help. How you doing? The Don is here, the original.
I'm the original Dondada.
Oh, there's our top wick. Would you look at that, chat?
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's.
All right, we got a top wick now. So now if we can close below, that'd be great in 12 minutes. If not, we close in the range and there's still nothing to do. I'm 30 on the 26th. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Birthday coming up. Got these people calling me what they want. I got a sound for everything, bro. Everything.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Got to troll around a little bit. Rachel Spiller. Oh, Raphael Spiller with the Spiller Killer indicator. Yo, I think I remember that dude. The Spiller Killer indicator. That's funny. That's actually pretty funny. Yeah, if we can close below now after making that top wick, this is perfect. So this is what we wanted to see. 15-minute candle must have came up, gave a top wick. Yup, pack runner there, so lovely. So we got 10 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. Gonna wait on that, and then if we close below, gonna be looking to take sells on this next candle here at 8:30. Johnny Boy's here, looking older. Another lap, eh? It's good, John.
Praise Jesus. What up, Nick?
How you doing?
How you doing? What's poppin', bro?
Good.
How you doing?
Fantastic. You?
Oh my God, bro. I'm incredibly blessed and thankful for today.
Right? Favor, man. A lot of favor.
Yeah, man. A lot of people wake up and they think about what they don't have. I'm waking up and thinking about what I do have, and I'm showing gratitude.
Well, that's the way to do it.
Facts, bro. Looking like a good price action's looking good today on this lovely Monday morning.
Yep. Yes, it is.
What up, chat?
820 volume here coming in. I think we could have maybe took a sell there. Yeah, at 820 there. Pack runner. Just gonna sit tight on the 30-minute here though. Should be good. Still gotta wait 9 minutes though.
Yeah, 15-minute look a little bit choppy.
Yeah, no closure below either. So gonna wait on the 30, and then if that 15 closed below and the 30 closed below, then we should be good. BRB, Johnny Boy.
BRB. Yo, what's good, chat? How you guys doing? Hope you guys had a great weekend. My weekend was lovely. Let me know what you guys did. Some back testing. Maybe study a little bit, study your trades. Yeah. The weekend, personally, I love to study my trades, look over the trades I took for the week, do a little evaluation. What up, Sandman? What up, Energy? Louis G? What's good, y'all? What up? Oh, man. Buzzblab, the birthday. The birthday was awesome. Spent it with the people I love. The dinner was great. Cake was good. So, can't complain. It was awesome, dude. Thanks for asking. What up, Miko? Miko, the feeling, I'm feeling amazing, dude. Hey, man, I don't feel any older, you know, just because it's my birthday. It just feels like another day.
Sheesh.
What's good, TK?
Yeah, that 15-minute was the sell right there. After the pack runner at 820 there, chat. John sleep stops.
Hey, your sleep stops are activated.
Never. John's B-Day. TK in the house. What up, TK? How you doing?
Thank you, Xander. Appreciate you.
What's a pack runner? A pack runner is when you break. So when a candle doesn't have a top wick, a lot of times what we'll see, not every time, but typically it happens like during high times of volume, you'll see the next candle right here come up and make a top wick for that last candle. And then once it breaks its own low, it's typically gone. So that's kind of like what you're seeing here. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, honestly, I don't. It's for me, it's fine because we never did have that closure. But seeing what we see now, which was the pack runner and all that, then that gives you a little bit more confirmation that price was ready to go down. Why is your zone not 2330.05? 2330.05? 2330.05. Right here. Right here. Yeah. Why would it be? I don't really see anything here. Are you talking about the break of the lows? Yeah, the support is up here at 2334 here. Yeah, the one that you're talking about, I don't really see much to put over there. Happy belated.
Thank you.
Johnny boy. Yeah, you're coming down now here. Tapping into that support.
All back for us.
I think 815 was the push there, man. See, this pack typically will happen at 815 also. That's usually when you'll see it. 815, 915, somewhere around that area or around those times. I closed too early. If you followed your plan, you didn't close too early. Yeah, my partials would be sitting right here. This is a beautiful move. What up, TK? How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Four-hour wins again.
Shout out the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours super clean, dude.
Oh, yeah. Previous weekly high opening candle. Oh yeah, I'm not looking at the weekly. We probably have a different way that we view the charts. So I'm looking to get my ranges off of the 1 hour, 30-minute time frame. Yeah, this would be my partials right here. Boom, tapped.
That was like an 80 pip move.
More than that. Big hundo. Go 4 hour, go.
4 hours got range though. That's for sure.
Lovely move. Target tapped on the nose there. Yeah, I really wish we could have got a 30 closure, man, before we made that move. But seeing the pack runner there and all that good stuff, it was pretty good, but still not the greatest, being that you didn't have a closure below. So yeah, nice move there. What's the TP? TP, I mean, that is a TP right there. 23.22. That's TP. Yeah, I mean, other than that, you can probably see price coming down, right? Down into this next range here. So you got a new range below here. So like someone, I think I seen a question if the candle closes there, what to do. If it closes right here, then what you want to see at that point is the 4 hour is going to close up here, right? So you either want to see a pullback on the 4 hour, right, to move up and like let's say close somewhere over here. That way we still have a wick to fill to come back down. Or at that point, if you close too low, like down here where price just was, then at that point you need to wait for new structure, right? So you got to wait for a new closure. So let's say, hold on, let me grab this. Let's say the candle closed like right here, right? You're at the bottom of a range there. So now at that point, you probably want to see the 4 hour candle, the last 15 of the 4 hour move up, right? And then potentially the first 15 minutes of the new 4 hour do something like this, right? Where it kind of can now close below. And then that's where I'll take my sells at the top of this new range for price to come down and retest these areas down here. And the 4 hour closing bearish, that would also lead to the next 4 hour candle making that move. So we'll see. We're going to pull back or we're going to close towards the bottom of the range here. Yeah, so we kind of closed a little bit more towards the bottom of the range there. What up, Yanosh? Yeah, we did close below here though, chat. Let's see, what is it?
Yeah, that most level, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take a small position here if we break those lows for this to continue down. Yeah, I'm going to keep stops here on the current candle high. If we do decide to drive down, we'll fill the wick. If not, I'll take a small little loss here.
You're going to get in on the current low?
Yeah, I already got in.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not risking too much here just because we got really tight stops. Just a small little position to see if we can get in the wick fill here. If not, that's fine. You'll probably see us start to take like 1 to 2, maybe 3 trades a day moving forward based off of some sort of like conditions, right? Not everything's going to have to line up perfectly, but we will basically size up accordingly to those positions. Yeah, because we did close below the range right here, but not the highest probability setup, but I'm willing to risk something small for it and see if we can get it to drive. Doom, doom. What's the difference between futures and scalping? One is a way of trade. Actually, I think they're both ways of trading, but they don't. Scalping and futures aren't in the same category. My stop is super tight. My stop is sitting right above the high here.
Hour looks super clean to drive as well.
Yeah, that's the main thing here is the 4 hour looks pretty good. Yeah, this is more so like a quicker scalp too. Trying to get in and out before, let's say, 8:45 here. What's my stop loss? My stop, everything's right here. Yeah, super tight stop. This this one I don't care. I'm looking for either a quick push down or like a quick stop out here. Futures a type of contract. Scalping is a, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Scalping is a style of trading, and futures is a type of contract. Yep, perfect. Use micro. I use both. I have both the charts up here. So one of the ways I figure I'm gonna probably close partials is probably take one contract on the regular futures and then like a few contracts on the micro, and then when I'm ready to close partials, just close the bigger one. Yeah. And then leave the partials open at break even. Why not share your wins and losses history on IG? I don't know. Never thought of it. I post some trades on IG, not all of them, but some of them. How many lots I take? This is a very simple, I took 4 micros. This is such a small trade. Yeah, I'm risking 132 bucks here. I'm just playing with it. I'm trying to, this week my intention is to execute more. You know, most traders have an issue with over trading. I think I'm more so on the picky side of things, where I'm more so under trading, right? So one of my intentions for this week is to just execute. If you're gonna, like, I really wanted to be part of this move at 8:30, but we drove all the way down. Now we still did close below the low here, so that's why we took a small little sell just to, you know, execute. What up, Crows crew? How you doing?
Yes, same with me. That's what I work on as well. Just executing, being aggressive with my system. It shows up.
Yep.
And that's why it's important to evaluate, right, your trade, so you know what you can do better, what you can look to do or improve on the next following week.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I mean, it's not like it's a crappy position. It's a closure below the range on the 15 with a heavily bearish 4-hour, but we kind of did already make a big move, so I'm not expecting like too big of a move here, just like a little, like a wick fill. 15-minute calamari, how you doing?
You want to do gold?
GC and MGC are up. Goes down. What the? Oh, what the? What? What the? What? What the who? How long have I been in this gig? Which gig? Which one? I have the same goal this week. Nice. Yeah, just all about executing this week. I don't even care. I'll go so low on my position size and literally just execute this week. Yeah, because one of the main things for me has just been a little too picky. Right? Just been a little too picky lately, and I don't know where that all started or developed from, but that's one thing that I've been catching on my 2-week evaluation, is that just being a little too picky, right? And just not getting aggressive like I was, let's say, in the previous weeks and months. Right? Might have had to do with a losing streak. Right? You go through a losing streak and now you want to be extremely picky, but then you got to know when to kind of come up out of that. Right? So that's kind of like where I'm at now. What up, Crows? What up, Crows crew? How you doing? I think it came from lack of. Yeah, that was the other thing, man. We got swindled like crazy, bro, with the prop firms over the last like 7 months. It just a lot of like trust goes away, right? After all that.
Oh, yeah.
Let's take a look at NAS. NAS, no breakout yet, but we'll see. This candle closed with like no top wick there. Yeah. Am I still in this? I might be. Nah, I'm out. Yeah, 120 bucks. Down the drain. Let's see. Is this still going to work out here?
Close to
Yeah,
845.
if you close above, yeah, it's 845 coming into also, so you're probably going to get this 4-hour candle now to pull back a little bit. So that's perfect. We'll wait for the 4-hour pullback and then potentially look for more sells here. NAS looks good.
Low isn't bad either.
Yeah. Yeah, NAS looks good. If you can break out, I think we're good to go. Especially if the 4-hour closes bullish. You got the previous 4-hour high right here too. Yep. Yep. Yeah, that's true, Louis G. Yep. Gotta swing the bat. I really love what Scott put in his weekly report card. Fire. He's like, I don't want to get fired from the firm. And bro, that's like the same mentality that I had a couple years ago. Is you play these little mind tricks, right? Like, I don't want to get fired by the firm. You know, if I'm trading their money, I need to be executing on their system. So it's a good way to kind of like hack your mind a little bit, trick your mind, and kind of set the pace and set the ground rules for like your trading day.
Definitely.
Let's see. Scotty boy. Yeah, I think Scott's busy this morning. He texted me. Didn't go to open house, but I went to a dealership with the wife this weekend. Let's go. Let's go. W. What'd you guys do? How'd you guys do dream building this weekend? Any good spots? I went over to this neighborhood that my wife and I want to move into, and we just drove around house hunting, man. Oh, we're going to re-break the low here now.
Best.
Yeah, sometimes you got to take a weekend to just kind of chill out, you know, get off the charts, get off the work, and go visit like while you're working, you know. Why are you even doing it? To do what? What do you want to do?
Thanks.
How many years have I been trading this strategy? 1, 2, 3, about 3 years. A little over 3 years now. Had I think average about a 75% win rate. I think last year we had like a 83% win rate, and all those ones were on the live stream. But yeah, anywhere from like 70 to like 80%. Checked out 2 open houses. Nice. Nice, nice. Motorcycling all weekend. That's a W. That's always fun.
Nice, Louis G. That's got to be exciting, bro.
House is almost
2
ready.
more
Let's
weeks.
go. W. We're at Texas. Texas? Texas real estate's pretty good price, man. You get good deals out there.
Yeah, Nick, you see yourself moving out there? in the future?
Nah, I see myself probably staying right here in Florida, man.
You think in the area Florida?
Yeah, probably around here. Tampa, maybe Naples.
Yeah, the area we live in right now is beautiful. Can't
Yeah.
complain.
Did they have cookies? They usually do have cookies in the open house.
TK, Naples is gorgeous, right?
Yeah, Naples
Sheesh.
might be a move.
I think Naples is the future.
Yeah.
It's right on the beach too.
Yeah, we should come down and fill that wick. We're running into the last 15 here, so this is where you may get the turnaround. So price may turn around now and start to move up.
Yeah, we are near that minor support level as well. TK, no, dude. When last time I was in Naples, I looked to my left and right, and I just see exotic cars everywhere.
Oh, moving down here, moving down. Florida's the best, yeah. Yeah, I like Florida. Summertime is hot, but all the other months are perfect.
Yeah, facts. Florida's gorgeous. Florida really got that consistency in their weather too, which I love. Thanks, Louis G.
Yeah, Florida, man. All year round outside of like August, July and August is like perfect. Yeah, so this candle should head back up now as we pull back here on the 4 hour and leave a wick to fill. TK ready to bring the boat out. It's coming, TK. It's coming. Another, what? Another month, right? I mean, we're in April now. We should almost be in the clear, right? That's Ski-Doo ready.
Yo, what up, Wags? My brother. Oh, man, the birthday was great, bro. Thank you. Thanks for asking.
B-Day was good. That food was good.
That food slapped, bro. That food made the birthday great. The birthday was good, and then the food made it great.
Yeah, I love it. You guys like hibachi?
The chef hooked me up, too. Me and Joey
damn.
Stew with extra noodles. How you doing?
Yo, Joey Stew was cracking me up that day, man.
Thanks.
Man said there's always room for ice cream cake.
How you doing? He ain't lying.
He ain't never told a lie. You guys like hibachi, chat? You guys eat hibachi?
I'm sure a lot of them do. Yeah, nah, Wags. I ain't trying to slack off, bro. It's a lifestyle, dude. Gotta get things done here.
Get it done. Hey, chat, if you guys don't know, we're giving away a couple 25K challenge accounts here today. And this is the link. Comment on this video. I'll put the link in the live stream. It's the latest video I did on the 2-week evaluation. Go check that out. Give it a like. Give it a comment. And we're going to pick some winners from this video here today.
Yeah, Sam, it did. It did.
What is hibachi? Come on, TK. TK, we're going to Kobe
Ooh.
next time you come to Tampa, bro.
Ooh, come on, man. Love it. Your first time experience gonna be great. Like an entertainment show.
Coming down here and oh, nice. Hit us up when you're down here. Yum yum sauce.
Yo, yes, yum yum sauce is legendary. Love some yum yum sauce.
I cook my own meat. What's up, Pastor George? How you doing, man? Hey, Pastor George, go check out my my little sermon that we did last night. It's in the Jesus Mission channel. Go check it out.
Yeah, facts, wags, facts.
Too much sauce. You close to Estero? But nah, but my I have family that live in Estero. Brother Joey Stuchek was down in Estero on last week.
On Fort Lauderdale.
Nah, Estero. Fort Myers.
Oh yeah. Yeah, never got that wick fill.
Nah. Yeah, if it didn't happen at 8:30 to 8:45, it wasn't gonna happen because we all know that 8:45 is gonna pull back.
Yes, sir.
Almost got it. What prop firm do I recommend? Top One, man. I don't think I probably wouldn't trust any other prop firm at this point outside of Top One. What up, Ali Reza?
Thank you, Ali Reza. Appreciate you. Feels great.
I got family there too. Oh, nice. Yeah, I used to live near Fort Lauderdale. Yep. I used to live in Weston. It's like North Miami. That's probably why I got into trading, man. And the Miami boys rubbed off on me. Trading's you go to Miami. Trading's contagious down there. It's like COVID, right? You catch it. Next thing you know, you got it.
Yeah, man.
You're in there. It rubs off. Why is Top Run different from others? I think the biggest difference for me and for anyone associated with me is the fact that we have the owner's phone numbers. So they can't pull anything that we need to contact them for is one phone call away. Right? And the problem solved. Where these other companies, you don't know them. They're so big. You can't get a hold. I mean, you can't even get like feedback from their customer service. So, outside of just being a great prop firm in itself and paying out like crazy right now, just the fact that we have their phone number, right, is a W and big enough reason for me. Went to Sifra. Oh, why are all traders from Florida? Are they? I thought they were all from like Europe, from London.
Yeah, I thought from London.
The London boys. We can call Matt. Hey Matt, how you doing?
Call Matt Morris.
Summer's only 1 week in August. Damn, TK. Telling you, man, it's time for a move. It's time for a move, TK.
Damn, only 1 week of summer?
In August? Sheesh.
Crazy.
What are you doing? TK about to come over to the Sunshine State.
You don't.
All right, TK. I was about to say, man. I was gonna be like, "What? That's insane."
Yeah, tap target there perfectly. Just never got that 15 close, and the 30 just ran. Just ran. TK lives in Alaska. Yeah. TK, when you moving
TK,
out
that's
of
a
Alaska?
good plan, bro.
Sheesh. Man's living in the frozen tundra. Nobody moves. Hey, Anilo's out for the week. He's usually the nobody move, nobody get clipped. Yeah, he's busy. He's busy.
Yeah, Amanda, that was one of the reasons why I just couldn't live in New York anymore, because it was always gray out, and I was not with it. I saw Florida was always had beautiful blue skies, so I couldn't do it.
Little gray to brighten up your day. What we got today? Today's 62 degrees right now. 62.
Looked out the window and I saw a blue sky, so chilling.
Yeah, still overall pretty nice day. What do we got here today? A high of 82 today. No signs of the solar eclipse though in the weather forecast here. I thought they were gonna like make it dark for like an hour or something. Yeah, man, major life
Florida,
hack. Get out the gray.
hell yeah.
Out the gray. NYC, yeah, NYC, man. I lived in New York for a long time, almost my whole life.
Hell yeah, you were there for a minute.
Florida is much better.
The vibes are just up here.
What up, Moses? How you doing?
You don't.
Moses.
Time to hit the lagoon, baby. Yeah, if you get so 30-minute candle here, right? Closure in 2 minutes. That's also going to be the 4-hour. I think we drew this up already, but like if you get this candle to close, especially with like no top wick, then you get a new bearish closure back below. Then I think the next 4 hours is going to be able to run down here. So you're going to need a closure now back below this range here. Otherwise, it may not work out. Yeah, we can get 4-hour top wicks way up towards like 23.43. Scotland's horrible. Damn, I want to make time to go to Scotland and get in a helicopter and go castle hunting. Yeah, my mentor has done that many times. They go to Scotland and castle hunt. Play around with big eagles and all that. A Euro tour? I'm down. Is that what it's called? A Haggis tour? Who wants to go around Scotland just flying around hunting for castles? I'm down. Let's go, Sandman. Time to dip. TTE trips coming up. Hedge fund trips.
A lot of trips in the store, bro.
One of the things I plan on doing is investing my crypto into traders. My profits on crypto and some of my friends, and raising capital over the next 2 or 3 years, and finding the best traders we can out of this community and funding you guys with that capital, and then being able to do like TTE trips and go to Scotland and hunt down helicopters and hunt down castles and helicopters and have a bunch of fun.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, crypto profits are being saved for that.
Yes, sir. Wags, I could see it, bro. I could see you chilling with us on the top floor, bro. Let's go.
Top floor. Top floor. Top floor.
That's like a thing for hedge funds.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, the real sifting process will begin shortly, chat. It'll begin shortly. All right, we got a 4-hour close here. Lovely. So let's see the 15-minute close. Close bullish. Gonna see how we basically close on this 15. If you're closing back below this support, not a bad idea to take these sells on the break of the lows there. As you break that wick, that's where you can go break even, and you should see price continue moving down. But we do need a top wick on this new 4-hour candle. So we will we'll see how that pans out over the next 15 minutes or so. We do a little crypto. Yeah, man. Yeah, some of you guys are beast traders. You guys are incredible traders. I want to give you money, right? I want to give you money. I've been studying like prop firms, not what you think prop firms are, but like real prop firms that are out in like New York City and stuff. So been studying a lot of owners and picking brains and watching videos and just trying to develop their mindset, right? And you know, their idea is they want to find the best traders, they want to train the best traders, and they want to give those traders their capital to trade at like a 50-50 or like a 60-40 profit split. So that's what we plan on doing in the future. There's a lot of good traders in TTE. You know, we want to be able to fund you guys. You know, you don't have to, it's not one of those things where you're going to pay us, right, $500 to get a 100K account. No, it's one of those things where you're going to basically show us all your stats, prove to us that you are worth the investment, and then that's when we're going to dump money into you. Yeah, but you know, that's going to only be reserved for the best of the best. Do I trade my own capital? Yes. I trade both. What up, Jelly J? Jelly J. Yeah, that's the plan, let's say, for over the next 2 years or so. You know, there's an idea in place, right? Life is like chess, you know what I mean? And like, we did a lot of work this past year to find a lot of great traders and teach them about our system. And now that we have a ton of great traders, now the idea is who can we actually begin to work with closely, right? Who can we begin to work with not just a username on YouTube, but a real relationship, right? And that's kind of like our idea is, you know, stacking the numbers in our favor, which we did over the last year with like 30,000 subs. And now it's to sift, right? And bring that number back down, right? And then really get the cream of the crop of that crew. And that's where we want to be able to put our money into you guys and fund you guys as traders. What happens if you trade different than me? Nothing. All you have to do is, you know, and again, this is still a little bit in the distance, but all we're looking for is your scorecard, you know. So we're gonna basically give you a scorecard and keep track of like stats and numbers and all that, and that's how we're gonna plan on like who we're gonna fund, who still needs more training, and all that good stuff. So it's gonna be cool. We're looking to build out 8-figure traders here, man. right? The long game, the long game. All right, daily or 4-hour top wick coming in hot here. What's up, Hazza? What's good? What's good? So take advantage of it while you can, man, while we're on the live streams, because eventually our crew is going to be off the live streams and then eventually into a big, dope office and clubhouse and then probably traveling around the world with our laptops. Chala, chala. We're going to be in the tree fort. We're going to be on a helicopter in Scotland with the laptop. All right, does the 4-hour have a wick to fill here and room to drive? We will see. Yeah, the other big thing, the vision I have too is like, especially when I sit with like the elite members and talk with them, like I think, man, like how cool is it going to be to have like those guys and some of you guys in the chat like as the senior traders training the junior traders, and man, it's going to be fun. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be Bobby Axelrod status. Hey, Usman, you live in Scotland? I did not know that. Gonna have Maverick and Kingston and Alea running around. Especially as they get older. Yeah, man. I'm gonna book a trip to space. Yeah. It is epic, bro. It is epic. Yeah, we're all about doing epic stuff. We're all about the epic life.
How big can you think?
How big can you dream? If you knew you couldn't fail, how big would you dream?
Yeah, we're
Go to Nepal, climb Mount Everest. Oh, I actually follow this one kid. He's doing a climb up to Mount Everest, I think in May. Only if TK and Green come with me. That's the only way I'm going. Hey, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
greenery in the chat. Let's get green. Yeah, let's see if the 15-minute gives us any opportunities. This is nice, though. We want to see a nice pullback right after that big move down, right? See a nice little pullback, retrace, give us some sort of resistance. Yeah, climbing Mount Everest would be sick. That'd be dope.
Yeah, this dude's he's actually been training for like 3 months now, maybe even longer. It's not just one of those things like, yeah, you want to go take a hike up to Mount Everest today? Yeah, sure. Yeah, man, a lot of training goes into it.
Yeah, 4 hour made a nice topic for us. Yep.
Yeah, hell yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, that's what we drew up. So if we can get this candle to close bear here now, that'd be great. Later, lazy panda. Lazy panda headed to work. Don't be lazy.
Panda.
Panda. Hey, we gotta get that on the soundboard for panda, for lazy panda. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing too, but yeah, stops are pretty massive. The thing about stops being that massive, it's okay because the ranges are that massive as well, right? So that's the thing. Like when you're in these high tempo times on gold, you're gonna have massive stops, but the ranges are gonna be massive as well. Sun don't shine, the rain don't stop. All right, 9:15 coming up in about 3 minutes here. Damn. Bunch of women from your city climbed Everest. 5 months. Yeah, what's the typical... I'm about to Google that. How long does it take to climb up there on average? About 7 to 9 weeks. Sheesh.
Wow.
Would you be down to spend 7 to 9 weeks climbing up a mountain?
It's a nice challenge.
I'm up for it. I bet. Slow and steady, baby. What up, the Groom Smith? How you doing today?
Buzzblab, we doing it in a day.
My friend's in the Guinness Book of World Record, youngest to climb. Oh, nice. Damn. I've climbed. Oh, wow. Extreme Gaming. Let's go. Very nice. Green can jump up Mount Everest. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. What up, JP? What's good? What's
And
good?
bro, I didn't even really notice. That was not a bad 1 hour wick fill.
1 hour. Yeah, we'll see how we close here in 20 seconds, but looking good. Got you, Eduardo. Got you, man. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have this. I need to see a top wick here, and then if we get a top wick, then I'm gonna be in there. All right, perfect. Being from Nepal. Oh my God, some of you guys have all climbed it. Damn. A lot of climbers in Nepal, eh? Lots of climbers. Yeah, we broke the low already too on the 15, which is good. We re-break that low now after making a top wick, and it should be good to drive. Yeah, so the idea here is closing partials right around this wick fill, right towards here. Partials are going to be taken. Probably going to go, I would say, BE around this point right here. And then the rest of it just going to run. Yeah, and then the way we'll manage this is if we do close back above resistance, then I will look to manage that position and close it out. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this so it's not all... Perfect. Yeah, one thing too I was looking at is one of the ways I used to manage risk a lot too is by waiting for candles to close. So waiting on candle closures as well may like Friday's trade or whatever it was, Thursday, where I got wicked out by like 1 pip. That trade, had I waited for an actual candle to close, then may have actually obviously survived that one, right? So yeah, I think waiting on candles to close there and where they close can determine, you know, where you're going to look to manage risk.
You're gonna take this?
Yep. Yeah, I should be activated here in just a sec. Perfect. So I'm in. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. So got into some sells here. Stops are going to be kept above the highs. TP is going to be down here if this 4 hour really wants to run. Partials, after we break that wick, we should continue driving down. That's where my partials are going to be. And then in terms of if price goes against us here, if this 30-minute candle closes back above the range, that's where I'm going to look to exit my position.
The 1 hour and 4 hour looks super clean.
Yeah. Now we wait. There's no telling what this trade will be. The outcome of this trade is completely random. All we have done is just done our job with the execution of it, with the idea of it, and now you just wait for the result.
Yeah, you must accept the randomness of this outcome to have consistent results. So accept the randomness.
I've accepted the random outcome here. Have you, chat? Have you accepted the random outcome of
And
this
if you
trade?
haven't, then today is an opportunity to develop the skill of accepting the randomness of your trade outcomes.
Yep. Could be a winner, could be a loser. Indeed. Yeah, just accept it. Just accept it. Disclaimer. Yeah, you gotta accept it. Not selling gold? Yeah, I don't blame you on that either. Right, I just want to sell the price action in front of me though, but gold overall, yeah, is so bullish. Yeah, we know that if this 30 closes back above, then 930 comes in here, and that's when you may see this wick get filled. Right, so we know that if this candle closes back above the range, then that may be a little bit of a problem, right, for sellers. So that's where we that's where I would look to get out of this position. Name of the setup. This is an onion. So this is a resistance formed after a exhaustion wick, break of the lows, onion play for price to continue down based off of the 4-hour closure here. Potential 4-hour wick fill here. I got in on the 1-hour flip. Nice, nice, nice. 30 minutes annoyingly bullish. Yep. Yep, moved up first, then came down here. We'll see what happens. Waiting for 30 to close for range 2, so nice, nice. The day is bullish. Yeah, the daily is bullish, but the 4-hour here is pretty bearish. So that's kind of like what I'm expecting, this 4-hour after creating a top wick to come down, break the low, and then begin to fill this wick here. So that's kind of like the idea of the trade. Use current candle highs. No biggie. Yeah. Yeah, the daily's so that's where the probability, so that's one of the conditions, right, of this trade is that the daily's bullish. Right? The daily's bullish, but again, the 4-hour here was bearish. We created a pretty steep top wick and then broke the low. You know, and broke the lows there on the 15. So that's kind of like the idea. Wick entry. What do you do when you want it to go down? Do you like, how do you, there's no, there's no blowing at that point. I've noticed a lot of fake outs this year. Me too, man. Way more fake outs than I've seen in the previous years, and way more like wicks breaking wicks. Like they are not respecting each other the way they were over the past couple of years. This year and like a little bit towards the end of last year, sheesh, it's been weird. Smack on top of your screen. Whack, whack. Start dancing. Start tap dancing. Been faked out so many times, really discouraging. How do you get through all this? You really have to track the data, right? That's why those every 2 week or once a month reviews, doing those are really going to help you out. Sometimes, you know, you can't avoid every fake out. It's impossible, right? So you want to put yourself in position to avoid some fake outs when you can, but you're never going to be able to avoid them all, you know? So that's why we put like the range 1, range 2 stuff into play. And, you know, now we're kind of flipping that and gearing that more towards the 4 hour. So, you know, we're still testing these things, and you'll as you're testing, you're going to come to losing, right? You're going to come to quite a bit of losses because you're trial and error with a new idea. So obviously anytime you're going to do something new, there will be that trial and error. There will be that, you know, losing, you know, it's just part of the game. If you want to get better, you gotta identify, you know, how to do things. And sometimes when you're learning how to do things, it's going to cost you a little bit. What up, Ryan? Doing great, man. How about you? Good to see you here. What's your average stop loss? I don't think I have an average stop loss. My stops are wherever market structures, you know, wherever previous candle highs are or market structure are. Yeah, it's mainly based off price action. AI modifying. Yeah, let's take a look at NASDAQ too real quick. Oh, wow. Okay. Sheesh. Yeah, we did close bullish on the 4 hour here on NAS, so buys do look good. I think if you can get this new support formed, right, come down, create a new support, then I think buys look amazing here. All right, 2 minutes here for a closure.
Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate you, brother.
Johnny had a good weekend.
Yes, sir, dude. It's great.
Why did I take this? 4 hour closed bear, created a top wick. You had a low right here. 1 hour also closed bear, right? 30-minute closed kind of like this weak bullish, but the 15 created this nice resistance right here with this exhaustion wick. So that's why the entry was on the break of the low there, for price to come down and potentially fill this 4 hour wick and potentially, you know, break the lows and keep going. Johnny Boy's birthday? Really good. Really good.
Amazing. Thanks, George.
George.
Oh, gee.
Let's see. Another loss here? Yeah, maybe. Maybe take a loss here. Maybe take a win. We don't know the outcome of every trade, right? We put the trade on based off our technical data, and that's it. It could be a win. It could be a loss, but that's all it could be. Or it could be a break even. You never know. You never know. We just got to sit and wait. Why do I have range to breakout for buys? Because the 4 hour candles are heavily bearish right now. All right, 30-minute candle did close. We closed bullish. So yeah, this is probably going to be a potential wick fill here. Let's see how the 15 closed with very little to no top wick. Same thing with the 5. To be honest, I'm okay with taking the loss I have here. So I'm probably just going to leave this in. If we begin to move down and break those lows, we're still remaining below the range here. So I'm totally cool with my risk here on this trade. So I'm just going to probably leave it. Yeah. Yeah, there's a way to manage. You guys can manage based off of the closure here if you like. But we got 930 here. If we break those highs, I'll probably get out. But right now I'm just going to leave it. Is it coming to save us? I don't know, man. Gold's bullish, man, on the higher time frames. Will it save us? We'll see. Will NYSE save us? Account blown. I should have risked less. When's the giveaway? Damn. Holy.
Sheesh.
Holy. Yeah, we're going to do a giveaway here in a little bit. If you guys haven't commented on the 2-week evaluation video, go comment on this video right here. And that's where we're going to pick the winners from. Just go to my YouTube channel, go to the videos, and you'll see it there. Yeah, the one area that we did close above was right here. Right, we did get a closure above there, but then you got this range right here too. So there is high volume coming in, like you may fill that wick, but again, like I'm pretty good with this loss here if I do take this loss. So I'm not over risking or anything like that. So I don't know, I think we're okay if we're remaining below there, but there is lots of volume coming in. Which way will it push us?
We'll see.
Yeah, we're more so on the crappier end of this trade now. It's not looking good, but yeah, we'll see. All right, you didn't want this candle to close bullish like that. NAS bleeder. Let's take a look. E. Nice. Let's see.
Thanks, Dropout Trader. Appreciate it.
Within 3 years of trading the strategy, when did you pass like the break even? For this strategy was actually pretty quick. I didn't deal with too much trial and error. It was a lot of my losses came more so when I traded a different style of trading, which was like more of an intraday. Like I would focus a lot on like RR and intraday strategy, and I would go into profit for like 20, 30, 40 pips. And then what would happen, I was come back, hit break even or get stopped out. So that's really where my main struggles came from. Once I found this concept, it was more simpler to me, right? So things began to make a little bit more sense to me, and I caught on to it pretty quick when it comes to like price action. So that wasn't really the bulk of my learning or struggling journey, I should say. It was more so, you know, when I was trading those other strategies. Yeah, this style kind of clicked to me, and I felt pretty good about this basically from the jump. Yeah. Yeah, the main struggle came from like 2 years before that. It was a rough battle. In the beginning, though, I struggled here with a lot of over trading. And, you know, I think you're going to do that because you got to kind of get your reps in to learn stuff. So, like, I was struggling with a lot of over trading for a while when I first came across this. But once I honed that together, Don helped me out a lot with that. Just being disciplined. That's where things began to make sense, you know, start to click for me. All right, we'll see if NYSE can push us downtown here, man. Broke the highs there, but tap back into that range slightly. Did I get stopped at? No, but I'm sure you're hoping I did. A lot of you guys are hoping I get stopped out here. What's up with y'all? Why are you guys being weird? Seriously. Why are you guys acting weird, man?
Oh, the chat. Hey man, you guys are literally just watching Nick trade.
Oh, you know, hey, you know, maybe I survived this one and you survived the last one. If we re-break the high, I'm done. I'm done.
I'll bet you're still in.
Yeah, I'm still in. Can we see a drive down here? Can we just see a massive bearish candle come 9:15?
I think so.
Can we see
Especially
it?
after breaking them highs.
Some of you guys are praying for my downfall, man. Damn. Ruthless. Sheesh, what'd I do to you?
Real.
They're quiet now. They're like, all right, we'll start talking again when the candle flips bullish. Quakers re-enter the chat once the candle flips bullish. Yeah, if we re-break the high, I'll be getting stopped out here. But if we come down, that'd be great. 15-minute closure in 5 minutes here. Here they come. Here they come. Oh, you suck at trading, bro. Wait, never mind. Oh, yep, nope, yep.
First trader.
You suck. That one day I got stopped out by 1 pip. They're like, oh, damn. Nas, man. Sheesh. Bleeder. Why can't gold do this? Why can't gold do that? Oh, you're gonna sell now to help me out? Bet. Let's do it. Yeah, NAS been looking good. We might have to be trading NAS a little bit more soon, chat. Am I still trading on the futures platform? Yeah, this is my trade right here. Yeah, I'm in this trade right here. Don't disrespect brother Nick. Yeah, I'm gonna send green out here for y'all.
Leader. There you go.
Christy, who's scamming people, dude? This is free. Everything is free here, dude. What are you talking about? Talk to me. What do you want to do? Christy, where are you from? Where do you live? How old are you?
Christy.
Why are you here?
What's your real name?
Why do you come to the stream every day, bro?
What's your why?
What's your why, brother? What's the social? Christy, you're about to be very happy if this breaks the high.
Oh my God, she's smiling right now.
I bet you're blowing on the mic right now. Stop him out. Crazy, man. I don't get some of you guys. Here he comes. It's flipping bullish. Luckily, I'm playing with
Christy with a C.
I'm playing with very small money here. I think I'm risking like $700. All right, big closure here on the 15. Yeah, you got the support right here. If you close below it, it should be good to continue down. We're in a very messy area right now. Very, very messy area. Right? The trade is not looking the greatest, but as long as we close below there, I think we're still ahead of the game here. I'm banging the monitor. You guys trade regular? Yeah, I'm on a regulated U.S. futures broker. How much drawdown am I in? I am in $400 worth of drawdown. 400. Is the stop loss rule for top one that you have to place it? Yeah, you got to place it. I hate that rule. Every meeting I have with them, I bang on them to get rid of that. So I'm hoping that they're gonna be able to remove that.
Like you said, there's two options. That was like another option.
Yeah, you can buy an add-on.
You don't like have to use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they just need to get rid of that rule.
Yeah.
General.
I hate that rule. It's like, what about everyone that wants to market execute, man?
Or they're out in the gym and they want to just get in quickly.
How much drawdown am I in for life? Sheesh, man. We hit the jackpot in life, TK. We're playing with house money, man. We're up. We're playing with house money, baby. $20% more to remove. Damn, yeah, I'm working on that rule for you guys, man. Yeah, because it is an annoying rule. Let's see. We rich, baby.
Playing with rep money. Yeah, it's funny.
I'm playing with my rent money. Yo, Stephen B. Hold up, hold up.
Let's get Stephen B.
Tap on that monitor. Oh man. Yeah, if you guys are playing with the rent, that's probably why you guys are a little upset. You're playing with the rent money. You're playing with all you got. That's not good. Like Lele would say, no good. That's not good. All right, 15-minute did close below, so yeah, I'm just gonna hang on to this, man. If I get stopped, I don't care. You know, it is what it is. It's just a trade. Yeah, I do want to see a top wick here, though. If we can create a top wick, that'd be great. But look, chat, we're in a messy area. You know, not gonna lie, it's like if I wasn't in a trade, I don't know if I would be looking to get into a trade here, because we're just in a bit of a choppy area. Like these highs can still break. I mean, anything could happen. We could even range for a bit now. It's forming the flag? Yeah, it could be. I just came. Where could I add a position? Maybe on the break of that low if that low breaks. Other than that, like I said, you're in a nasty zone here, right? You got volume that's going to come in. So we may push one way or the other, but it's just a nasty range. Traders win every trade. Yeah, plus we're also taking a big risk here selling gold on a day like today, right? So you got to understand like what trade you're in, right? Every trade's a bit risky, but you got to understand the conditions around your trade and then size up accordingly. And once you size up accordingly, there shouldn't be any emotion left in the trade at that point. Shouldn't we have looked for a range 2 sell? Technically from the daily's perspective, yes, but from a 4-hour perspective, no. And again, these are new ideas that we're testing, right? So from a 4-hour perspective, we're going off that here. And so the answer to that would be no, we would be waiting for a range 2 buy. What I think of NASDAQ? Oof. Honestly, Nas is probably going to do something crazy now, like this. Like, I can totally see that happening. Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Let's see what Goldie wants to do. Yo, thank you, Hank. Appreciate it, man. So what's everyone's plans for after the session? I got to run to the bank here in a few. Then I'm chilling. Yeah, it's all the Quakers. You got to learn or develop the skill of emotional intelligence. Because if you're going to trade and you're quaking off of someone else's trades, I know damn well that you quaking off of your trades too. And that's the short path to failure. Real quick, you're going to fail doing that. So you gotta be okay with, you know, taking losses in this game. Like, it's part of the game, right? It's trading. You're gonna take losses. If you're not gonna expect to take any losses, I wouldn't even trade.
By the way, if you are a Quaker and you're so good at trading, I want you to email me your trading stats and maybe I'll give you guys some money to trade with. Email me at info@timetotrading. I want to see your stats, all the Quakers who say that they're such great traders, and maybe I will fund you guys. Yeah. Quaking is one thing. I don't care if the numbers are there. I'll fund you guys with some money. I got you. If you guys are so good, got you with some oats.
You're a quacker.
Don't send me them stats though, and they're like, ugh. Especially
It's
after
like BD.
quaking.
For real.
Don't fund me. I just want a challenge. All right, what are we gonna do here? Lele's up. Hey, I hear Lele too.
Oh,
So
bring out the volume. You
she's
still
probably
got
gonna,
that 4-hour bias.
she's probably
bro.
gonna
You should
run
be
in
chilling.
here.
Yeah, bro. I think I'm about to head out of here though. I gotta head to the bank.
Oh, okay. Do it.
Sir, bro. So
You gonna
I'll
leave
give
me
you-
hanging all alone with these Quakers in drawdown?
Hey, man.
Damn.
Gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Yeah, bro. So
All right, cool. Yeah, do your
I'll
thing.
give
Bro.
you a call. Yeah, I'll give you a call a little bit later today.
All right, sweet. Sounds good.
All right, bro. Peace,
All right,
dude.
later, Gator.
Peace, chat. Love
See ya.
y'all. Peace.
See ya.
Peace. Peace.
What up, Bait D? Am I on a trade? Yeah, we're in some drawdown. We're in some DD here. Hey, we're gonna after this trade chat, we're gonna do the giveaway. So if you guys haven't commented on the 2-week evaluation video, go comment on that video. We're gonna do a giveaway. It's gonna be this one right here. We got 3 25K challenge accounts to give away here. So just comment, leave any comment, and that should be fine. Yeah, you don't have to go crazy. Let me leave the link for you. Yeah, we want to give away some accounts. We want to help some traders out. See if we can help you guys out in any way that we can. All right, 1 hour closure coming up in about 7 minutes. Same thing with the 30-minute here. Closure's coming up, so we will see if we survive. I hope a Quaker doesn't win. What's a Quaker? You don't want to know. You don't want to know. Yeah. The 7 to 9 bias can 4 hour really takes over. He wins up 9 to 11 bias could come more into play. So range 2. Yeah. Yeah, this time we got a bearish closure too, right? So we got a bearish closure on the 4 hour. Otherwise that bias probably would have switched up a little bit, and we would have kind of looked for more so for buys, like kind of like we were talking about on NAS, right? NAS closed bullish here. So that way you can now say, okay, well, maybe if we break the highs, we'll continue moving up. But look, NAS is driving down now. Down 10. Past few trades, the same thing happened to me. Yeah, hey, tell me about it, gang. Remember this one trade stopped me out in 3 minutes. It stopped me out by literally 1 pip. And 3 minutes later, hit target. 3 minutes from the stop out. That was crazy. One pip, man. My I went from a great trader to a crappy trader by 1 pip, man. 1 pip. This 1 hour top weight coming. Please be kind. Hey, you guys are gonna miss quaking when I'm not live streaming anymore. When I'm moving the crew with the big dogs and we're going to new spots to trade. Who are you gonna quake on? Yeah, gold did do us dirty that one day. That was that Friday or Thursday? I think that was on Thursday, right? Yeah, gold did us dirty that day, man. I was upset. Was in buys last night, got stopped out before the 400 pip move. Jeesh. Sheesh. By 5 pips? Yeah, it happens, you know. It's annoying. Hey, at least you didn't have to do it, get that happen to you in front of 1,500 people, man. Right? 1,500 eyeballs watching you just is a little bit different. You're moving? I don't know. You never know, chat. We might be like a thief in the night. It's gone. Quake free when that happens, yeah. Yup. That's the goal, is to really begin the sifting process and really separate the guys that are really here to play the game with me long term versus the guys that are just kind of coming in and hanging out, praying for my downfall, you know, all that stuff. All right, can we get the low to break again here? Sifting season, chat. Sifting season coming up. Yeah, a 30 close below would be awesome here. If we can get this 30 to close below support, that'd be really good. Yeah, even if you don't trade the exact style as us, then there's still opportunity, right? Because trading is mainly like mindset, mentality over like actual system. But the system is very important too. But yeah, that's the overall goal. Traders X in the house. What up, Traders X? Yeah, I really want to see this 30 because I want to break that low. You see how we're not breaking lows here? So I really want this to push down so we can take that low out. Yeah, if we can take that low out, that'd be great. Might be gone overnight, chat. You might come on the YouTube and look for the TTE stream, and you're like, where'd they go? Doing it for the views? Nah, I don't care about views, gang. My YouTube channel is not even monetized. I don't even make money off this YouTube. I literally come here and spend 4 hours with you guys for free. I could be hanging out with my daughter right now, chilling. But I really do want to be here because I have a love for people and I want to see people succeed. And I know that I have valuable information to instill into others that can not only help them, but their family's future. So that's why I come here. You know, that's why I do what I do. Yeah, this YouTube stream, don't even have it monetized, man. Monetization off. I'm a crypto millionaire. You guys didn't know that. Not monetized. Any Netflix suggestions? No. Nah, not that I know of. I think there was a new show that came out about Moses. I don't know if it has any truth to it. Gotta watch, you know, when they make movies on the Bible or a series on the Bible out in Hollywood. They're on some sketchy stuff. So I did hear there was something about Moses, but yeah, not too sure. Yeah, it looks like this candle here may close with no bottom wick, man. 1 hour is pretty good though. We closed bearish. We did leave a bottom wick. The 30-minute has very little to no bottom wick on it. So now's your opportunity to chat to potentially get out here at B. Story of Moses. Oh, how is it? I never watched it. Never watched it. Can we get the wick to fill here? Yeah, if the candle flips bullish, I'm gonna get going. I don't want to be a part of it. Especially with the previous 30 closing with no bottom wick there. Let's see if we could fill the wick. $22 pips. Yeah, chat. Gonna take it right there. There it is. Wick fill. I'm out. And I'm out like that. And I'm out like that. So no top wick on it. If this candle had a top wick on, I'd be much more comfortable letting it run, but no top wick. Gotta switch up the plan a little bit. So W trade chat. Sorry haters. Sorry Quakers. Didn't work out for you this time. AB Mike's back. Yeah, I think we took about 30 pips. Yeah, you may come up to make a top wick. If you break that 4-hour low though, it should be gone. W's in the chat. Oh man. Yeah, 1 hour looks good to continue down. My only thing here is that top wick. Update the record. Hold on, chat. Let me get some water real quick. And there she goes, breaking the lows. 4 hour doing its thing, which is basically what this trade was based off of. Heavily based off of the 4 hour here. Right, Maverick? Tell him what else. Say, up. Yeah, I think it's giveaway time here. Time to give away. TTG. Time to give away. Yeah, I'll give you guys another few minutes here to comment on that 2-week evaluation video. Give him a few minutes. Yeah, if you guys took that and you guys understood the trade, if you guys really took it and really understood it and followed me through it, type a W in the chat. Feels good to know why price is going to do what it's going to do and have a good idea and good read on it, and understand the trade, right? Versus just kind of pulling up here to take a trade. Right, Maverick? Got to teach Maverick this trade here too. You gonna stick around for the giveaway? Alright, we're gonna give some people some accounts to help them out. Don't touch. Yeah, giveaway time. If you guys haven't commented on the 2-week evaluation video, go comment on this video real quick. And let me leave this in the chat. Where the Quakers at? No, they're gone now, bro. Actually, they're probably hanging out for the. They're hanging out for the giveaway. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you guys can follow me here on Instagram. We actually I haven't been posting too much on Instagram, just my story, but yeah, who's that? Who's that? Yeah? Yeah, but the main thing too, chat, is like you see like like most people don't know how to handle a trade, man, like, and really handle drawdown. Do you notice how like I set my risk before that trade was ever taken, right? I understood what I was playing with, how much money I was risking, how much percent I was risking, and just played it well off of candles, right? Didn't get too like worried about it, didn't like fold under pressure, just kind of like held strong, right? Stops were in the best place that they could be at that point. There was no other stop loss. If anything, that was the only area, right? If it broke those highs aggressively, then it was going to begin to drive up. So that's the best place to put our stop, and just hold your composure throughout your trade, right? If you believe in it. This candle closed at very little to no bottom wick, and then this one got no top wick. So logically, that's where you want to, once you get that wick fill, that's why I was like, all right, cool, we'll close it there at like 30 pips. But had you had like a bit of a bottom wick and a bit of a top wick, that's when you could have let this thing run a little harder. But it's all about, man, just staying composed, right? Staying just calm and cool in your trade and not thinking too much. You know, what's the worst thing that happens? You lose the amount of money you planned on losing. You already planned on losing it. The blessed traders in the house. DNA test. What's my IG name? This is my IG right here. It's my mugshot, my IG mugshot right here. Hey, some of you guys don't believe me, man. You guys like, no way, you came from a family of cannabis dealers. Let me show you guys something. This popped up on my, and I feel it's best to show this to you guys because you know I'm just a regular guy, a sinner that has been saved by the grace of God. And let me just show you, because all you guys are like, nah bro, there's no way. You guys come to my Bible studies and you're like, nah, no way, man, no way. Let me be transparent with you guys. Hi, Lele. Oh, Lele can't see this though. Lele, look the other way. Yeah, great trade, gang. Good trade. Where Christy at? Where Christy at? Yeah, man, this picture popped up. So some of you guys that don't know, some of you guys that weren't here when I kind of told my story, because a lot of you guys just think I'm perfect, this perfect Christian kid who never did anything wrong and never been bad. But, you know, the reality is I found Christ, or Christ found me in a jail cell, right? So my testimony, I haven't really talked about much on this live stream, but if you come into our Bible studies, you'll begin to hear. But as you guys know, someone asked me the other day, hey, Nick, have you ever smoked weed before? And it's like, yeah, man, like, and I went in and told you guys about, you know, how I basically came from a family that was heavy in the cannabis game, right? So this picture popped up a couple days ago, and it's so crazy, right? It's so crazy to think, like, I mean, this was like my re-up here, gang. like this was the re-up, you know? But and I share this with you to say I'm just a regular dude, man. Like, I'm just a regular guy. I've been through this stuff like you guys have been through. No one's going to show you this, right? No one's going to show you because they want to uphold this image. But I don't give a rip, right? This image is more so a testimony to how the Lord can change you over time. This was my re-up, gang. I was dealing with $100,000 like re-ups at times. So some of you guys don't really know, you know, who it is that you're talking to, right? You guys think, yo, let me just quake on this guy. So yeah, some of you guys like, oh my God, I want to dive in there. But yeah, man. Yeah, Wix 9, this is Nick 9. Oh man, praise Jesus. Praise the Lord. Yeah, I seen that pop up on my Snapchat memories and had to save it and share it with you guys. How many kids do I have? I have 3 kids. 3-year-old, 1-year-old, and 3-month-year-old. Or no, 3-month-old. Green knows the vibes. What you think me and Green were doing? Hanging around a bonfire singing Kumbaya, praying? Nah, man. I remember my mentor told me, he's like, yeah, my daughter's going to a bonfire. I'm like, really? He's like, not the bonfire you're thinking of. They sing pray and they praise, and I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's just a testimony too, man. Just to kind of show you guys, like, I'm just a normal guy, man. You guys don't have to think I'm some, like, I'm literally a sinner saved by grace. That's what I am, right? That's what I knew growing up, was hustling, right? That was my upbringing. All right, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away one of those bags. We're going to give away one of those bags. Oh, man. Yeah, not the best place to be, you know, driving around your car. It's a life of just anxiety, you know, and worry. Like, the money, you make all this money, but the money don't even matter because you're so worried, you're so caught up in it, right? So it's not the right way to live. You know, now we got money, now we got freedom, and we don't worry. We're not anxious. We live good. We're free, right? It's a totally different ballgame. I prayed on entering the market. He led me here. I've been developing a relationship with God for the last 3 years. All I can say is, wow. Yeah, that's typically God will kind of leave you with that, right? Wow. My favorite worship song right now, I like these guys right here. House Fires. I was listening to, you guys ever heard the song I Thank God? They did a version of that one. Yeah, I like these guys. They're pretty good. You guys ever heard Mighty to Save? Yeah, I love Sundays because on the radio they throw it back. They give all those good throwbacks. You guys good though? Did you guys comment on the video? Let me refresh the page here. How many comments? 493. I think that's probably a good amount, right? I think we can get started. I'll give you guys 1 more minute here. 1 more minute. Lay the bug. Good morning. You gonna join the giveaway? Maverick quaking. Maverick, why are you quaking? Relax, bro. Relax. You like some of these guys in the chat. Why would I buy your $9.95 mentorship when I could buy $7.50 for Don Vo? Me and Don Vo are two totally different people. Totally different. Yeah, we're gonna do the giveaway here in a sec. Don's is $9.97. Hey, you gotta pay $2 more, man. Let's see here. Whose money, man? I don't know, man. That's the cool part about this year is I really got to see a lot of like funny things in the chat. What video should we comment on? Right here, this video. It says 2-week evaluation. If you go to my live stream or if you go to my channel right here, it's this video right here. Yeah, they're going to comment on it to win. See who's going to win. We're going to pick some winners. Lele's a winner, right? All right, last call for alcohol here, chat. What time is it? 10:16? Yeah. Last call. All right, cool. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here, go have that in there. Okay. I'll let you know who wins. Okay. Tell them good luck. Lele said good luck. All right, let's do this giveaway. What'd this drive for here? 76 pips. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. I think if we had top wicks and bottom wicks, this could have really been a great move here, but 76 points is still pretty good. Yeah, NASDAQ up. All right, let me get the random pick calculator thingy majiggy. Pull it up. Yeah, we got 3 25K challenge accounts here to give away today. What are we doing? Oh, yeah, here we go. All right, cool. Let's get the link here. Let me go back to, let's go back to YouTube. Let's go over here. How you in moving forward. And then when there's any type of coaching. All right. I love giveaways, man. They're fun. Who's ready to win? TTW? TTW, let's fetch it. Let's fetch all the comments. We're going to get rid of all duplicates and we're going to get rid of all replies as well. And we're just going to pick from the comment section. So let's let this load up. We got 3 accounts to give away here today. All right, perfect. All right. Let's do this. So Hold on. All right, cool. All right, let's do this giveaway. Let me just pull it back up over here, and we're going to see who our 3 lucky winners are here today. W's in the chat. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. All right, where'd it go? There it is. All right, cool. Here we go, chat. Here we go. Let's pull it up, and let's get the party started. All right. So, the winner of the first 25K challenge account from top 1 goes to Raymond Roland. Yeah, Raymond Roland. Hey, W, Raymond. W. Let's go. Let's go. Where's Raymond at? Raymond in the chat? Raymond, you got to tag me in the chat. Tag me so you stand out so I can see you. Tag me, brother. There he is. There he is. TK, you got him? Get him. Get him. Grab him. Not here. Checked. Got Raymond's in the building. W, Raymond. Shout out to you for sticking around. Raymond's here. Hey, Raymond, if you can, like, tag me real quick. Tag me, tag me, tag me. At Time to Eat Trading in the chat. Congrats, man. Big W. Hurry, 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 hurry. Come on, Raymond. Come on. There it is. All right, perfect. Let me save you. Perfect. Hey, Raymond, send me or that guy TK a message on Discord. If you want to know who I am and my real name in the Discord, it's the guy with the big old bags of Mary Jane right here. Yeah, just click that one. Otherwise, you probably have like 10 other fake pages. For those of you that just came in late, you have to rewatch the stream. Yeah, click this name right here. This is me, and send me a message on Discord, brother. Congratulations, man. Congrats, congrats. All right, next up. You ready? Oh my God, there's emoji. There's a weed emoji. Oh man. That's crazy. All right, cool. Next up here, chat. So the second winner of the 25K challenge account from Top 1 Trader is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eric Guitar. Guitar. Where you at, Eric? Where you at, Eric? You gotta tag me, man. Are you here? What does Don say? Did Eric stand on business here? Hey, chat, who stood on business today? Who stood on business? Is that what he says? I forget. Green, is that what he says? Eric. All right, there's Eric. Awesome, man. Eric, same thing, brother. Congratulations. Send me a message there on Discord. Just click my name in the New York session and send me a message on Discord, bro. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Though, I'm not sure what the comment means. THO. Time. Yeah, I'm not too sure. But, hey, congratulations, bro. Big W. All right, we good? I think we're good on that one. W. All right, congrats, Eric. All right, we got one more 25K account here, and then I'm gonna just throw one in from like myself, and we're gonna do one more giveaway, and that giveaway is gonna come from the live chat. Screw it. I'll just take care of the challenge. I wasn't all business, but managing. Nice, nice. Is that what he says? Standing on business? Plot twist, right? There was a plot twist for the Quakers today. Damn. Damn. Not a good day to be a Quaker. All right, let's do it. All right, the final winner from the random pick counter of the 25K challenge account from top one goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 APSKAJ. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that one, man. 25K in my pocket, son. Where you at, bro? Where you at? Tag me, tag me, tag me. Hey, Lamech W, man. I caught that. I caught that. Where you at? Where you at? Where are you? Are you here? Tag me. I don't see him. I just see Fred tagging me. What up, Fred? Shout out to Fred, man. 25K's in your pocket, bro. Are you here? Caught that trade with you. Nice. Is he or she here? That is the question. Are you here? Oh, the Gaming Oasis. Is that you? The Gaming Oasis? No, that's not you. Umer7. Umer7, nice nice little black backsplash there. No, that's not him. Next. Damn. Sheesh. We got to go to the next one. Been in every giveaway. Hey, there's still one more. There's still one more. Damn, I don't see him or her. I'll be them. Nah. Fred? Nah, Fred's been spamming W's. Fred's the man. Yeah, that's not Fred, right? All right, Fred. Let me double check you out here. Nah, sorry, man. You the man though, Fred. I love you, bro. I deserve an account as a long-time subscriber. I've been here for a year. Damn, then I would have to give all my guys that have been here for a year an account. All right, yeah, I think we gotta move on. I think we gotta move on. Unfortunately, man, it was in his pocket. Sheesh. Ask and it shall be given. But you gotta be there to receive it. All right, we're gonna move on to the next one here, chat. Where are we? Where are we? There we go. All right. Sorry, my friend. Next. All right. So the third winner of the 25K challenge account from Top One Trader goes to J4 Trades. J4 Trades, where you at, bro? I know you're here. Where you at? Where you at? The mods all got funded accounts? The mods all got funded accounts. Just for being a mod. There he is, J4 Trades in the house. J4 Trades, come into my Discord and go to the New York session and message me. Don't mind the big box of marijuana, but yeah, just message that username. All right, man, we're going to pick one more, and we're going to do that from the live chat. And we're going to make it 4 and then call it a day here. What up, little G? Huh, little buddy? doing, huh? You here for the last giveaway? Only you can't touch the microphone. Okay? You gonna be a good boy? Perfect. Perfect. Alright, J4 Trades, congratulations, man. And now let's move on to the live chat. Oh, did we get a closure belowsure? I think so. What would be good here is a pack runner. If you can come up and actually give that candle a top wick. Oh yeah. Yeah, yep. All right, let me bring in the live chat here. You gonna get down or you gonna stay up here? Yep. All right, cool. Let me bring in the live chat here, and we are going to run a giveaway. Giveaway from the live chat. Hey, Maverick, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Oh my God. Hold on, chat. Little rascals, man. Yeah, you see with that no top wick, at any point that candle can come up. So that's why once we got that wick fill there, smart to cut partials or make a decision there. Although it did come all the way down here, that's not guaranteed, right? With no top wick there. Yo. Hold on, Lily. Yo, my bad. These kids are hilarious. Where'd my chat go? There it is. Sorry, chat. Crazy kids, man. All right, let's pick one more here. This is gonna be for a 25K challenge account. The last winner. We got 3 winners, right? Yeah. So last one here, 4th winner. We're gonna pick someone randomly from the chat, and yeah, I'm just gonna stop the mouse in a few seconds. Sheesh. Who wants to win, man? Who wants to win? I'm randomly going to stop this in like 5 seconds. All right, the winner is... boom. Euro, pick me. Ask and it shall be given, my friend. Euro. W. Or your. Or your. Your. EUR. EUR. You won, man. Let's see everyone dip out now. Hold on. They're gone. They're gone. Hey, yo, EUR, man. W. Congratulations, my friend. There he is. Or she is. I'm not sure. But yeah, message me on Discord. Just come to the New York session. Man, why? You just come to, yeah, just come here and message me. And yeah, W stream here today, chat. Good job. You know, the 4-hour bias, let's just recap the stream real quick. The 4-hour bias really kind of played itself off again here today. As you guys can see, let me get rid of this and let's just recap the day, right? We got to the desk here with a bias, right? From where'd my tools go? From 7 to 11. We were bearish. Why? Because this candle right here had closed bearish, right? So we were looking for sells there today. This candle right here closed. We were about to break those lows, right? Now, as we had this bearish bias, we were looking for a 30-minute closure at 8:30 here. But 815, if we go down to the 815 candle, is the one that really ran for us, right? And look, tap target almost perfectly there, right? So tap target almost perfectly from 7 to 11. We had that bearish bias. We just couldn't get in, right? We just couldn't find a solid doorway in outside of an impulse entry, right? This was kind of your impulse move right here, coming down into that zone. So we let that one go. We waited for the new 4 hour to open up. So as this 4 hour candle close, I'm sorry, 7 to 9. I meant 7 to 11. I meant 9 to 7 to 9, right? From 7 to 9, that was our bias, right? And then at 9 a.m., if we look back, we got a 4 hour closure, right? We got this candle to close on the 4 hour. So what happened? Our bias remained bearish here for the day. So from 9 to 11 now, right? After we create a top wick, we want to see if we could look for sells, right? Price came up, created that top wick, kind of created it pretty early on in the candle, off of this 15-minute move up. And then, you know, this next move here, right? This is what kind of gave us that top wick, this candle and this candle. And then this was our entry candle, right? I'm sorry. This was the wick that was formed, entered on the break of the lows there to see if price was going to be able to now break the 4 hour break the 4 hour low to continue driving down, right? So if the previous 4 hour closed like this, right? This is what we had. We had a little bottom wick here. We came up, made a high, and then as this candle on the 4 hour broke the low, that was the entry right there on the 15-minute. So got into the trade there, and then guess what? Price had plans to go retest the high, right? So price went up. We retested this high, never broke it. Stops were sitting a little bit above it, survived the stop there. And then this candle here closed back below the range, right? So if that candle's closing back below the range, high chance that we're going to come back down into these levels, which was break even. And then eventually if we break the low, continue down. So that's exactly what happened. Price did create that new resistance up there. We came down, we got back to break even, we broke the lows, went about 30 pips in profit here on this wick fill, and just closed the position right there, being that this candle had like no top wick, right? So that was it. That's the recap of our session. Pretty simple day, pretty straightforward day. We had no news in the way or anything like that, and just played price action here. So that's it. Any questions, comments, concerns before we leave? We will return tomorrow. Maybe. Maybe we'll return tomorrow. Anything? Everything makes sense? Yeah, good. Perfect.
If you're
W. Awesome. Yeah, sorry for those of you guys that got stopped out, but hey, I got stopped out on Thursday, man, by 1 pip. and you guys ate. So today was my day to eat. One thing doesn't make sense? Talk to me. Talk to me. Got stopped by 2 pips? Yeah. Happens sometimes, man. Happens. All right, cool. I think we're good. Susanna later, Xander later, Buzzblab, have a great day, man. Engineer 14, later Gator. Juan Legacy, Z Gamer in the house. About to be out the house. See you later, Z Gamer. Later, George VDM. Beautiful, beautiful. Take care, naughty gamer. Later, Kelvin. All right, guys. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Glory to the Father. See you guys tomorrow. Maybe. Later, chat. Love y'all. Peace.